Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to State of Crypto, one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technicals. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 485. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We'll want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you're going to be updated with the latest crypto-related news, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us, once the stream is done, join us on Discord, links in the description. You can also join us on Twitter. Yeah, Twitter. Join us there as well. How's it going, everyone? I hope you're having a great day. Happy Thursday night. I hope you had a great trading day. I know it was fun. I came in earlier today and did a stream on stocks, which, wow, I thought I was never going to get to do. Again, interesting, right? And we're probably going to be doing that every day now. A stock stream at like 1 p.m. And just basically that will be only stocks until, unless there's something else happening with crypto. But on that note, let me go real quick through the chat and see what's happening here. Who's here? Who's in the house, man? May, first person in the house. Awesome.
What's up?
Justin Minshew. And yeah, 88 shirts on the list now. Bring facts. I'm convinced. Music, dude. Bring facts. I've never tell you where I'm getting the music from because I want you to keep on coming here, dude. You're cool. Who else, dude? Steve forgot the spaces. Wow, interesting. What spaces? Oh, for me. Evening rest last night. Yeah, I am feeling better. Bitcoin off. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. I'm gonna get paid tonight. I tell you to drink. Just thank you for bringing facts. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated, dude. Ready to get yeah, dude. Excellent. Jeffrey, what's up, man? Dude, can you remember what effects had futures on Bitcoin? We might see something similar. I guess that's what I'm expecting to see. I can't remember what happened with Bitcoin, so I don't have it fresh in my mind, but maybe something similar could happen. Tiger, what's up? Thank you for being here, man. Phil Mahoney, thank you for being here. Derek Martinez and Crypto Cat Lover and Montara. Dude, a lot of people in the house. Thank you all for being here. You guys are amazing supporters of this channel. Thank you all for being here again and joining me tonight as we're going to start into this world of crazy crypto and figure out what's happening. Anyways, what's happening with the market cap, right? First of all, we're seeing some pullback, right? Which again, it's cool. We didn't have, we ended up developing something by, well, a little bit later. Right? We had this resistance line, we broke it to the upside, great on the hidden bullish. So again, we're bullish. Right now, I'm looking at this bearish divergence here, right? So, yeah, we manufactured this. Probably forgot to call this one out yesterday, and that's fine. I mean, like market cap, we're expecting Bitcoin to go down a little bit. So, yeah, market cap was definitely going to go down a little bit as well, right? Hello, high to low, and high to low, right? So, a lot of strong bearish divergence here on the RSI. On that note, we are neutral at 65.28, and we'll see where we go there, man. Hi, Martin. You never sleep. I know. I'm Dracula. I just have I'm a vampire. I have, like, you know, something on the windows, and that's it. No sunlight gets in here. It's the crypto. Mind throwing Tomo? Sure, man. Why not? Yo, Wisby, how's it going, man? Hamacreen, hey. What's up? Let's get Tomo in here. Before I actually jump onto Bitcoin and company. Oh, the list is not updated. I forgot to do something. Oh, the list is not coming through, I think. Yeah. Give me a second for that. Goals and coin list. Yeah. So are they on or not? I did something earlier today and I undid something. Lied, drink, or smoke. Thank you for bringing facts. Dude, I'm going to have to go get a beer, man.
Or smoke. Winking face.
Dude, thank you very much for that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Dude, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate that. Dude, you're setting up the pace for tonight. Someone wants me to do dot? Sure, man. Why not? The count wants to do dot. Why not? Let's do dot. Join us with a drink. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna get a beer in a second. Yeah, thank you, Craig Brown. Richard Davis, what's up? Yo, thank y'all for being here. Again, guys, just a quick announcement. I'm gonna be doing stocks earlier today. We're gonna have different setups that are subtle for stocks in this. So if you see this, like this, right? That's to the crypto, and then this white glowy stuff up there below the banner, that means that we're doing crypto. If you see this one come up, and it says stocks, it's crypto stocks, and that glow is green, that means we're in the stock section. And if for some reason you come in here and it looks like it's a recorded video and I'm talking about the news, well, that's the news, right? So it's gonna be red and it's gonna say news up top. And that's how you're gonna basically determine whether or not we're doing something live on the air, off the air, or, you know, what are we gonna be doing? So we're gonna be doing a lot more stuff here at the State of Crypto. News should be starting soonish. I still gotta get something settled for that, but hopefully we can get them up by the weekend. And you know, probably gonna be doing news almost every day, I think. So it's gonna be a static video. It's not gonna be live. But stocks definitely 1 p.m. Central. We're gonna be doing stocks and yep. Occupy the studio. Why do you want to occupy the studio, dude? That Wall Street's gonna be short Bitcoin. That's weird. What video issues? Is there a video issue right now? Let me know, Bring Facts. I'm interested. I'm not sure what the video issues are, man. The state of stocks. Video fine. Thanks, man. Thanks, Jake. Yo, thanks for being here, Jake.
What's up?
I haven't seen you. Alan Calzada, thank you for being here as well. Let's start with Bitcoin. Again, so moving down again, we had the bearish divergence section of downside. We broke that line of resistance, right? Now it became support and they were bouncing. So if anything, maybe I was looking at something like this potentially for a support line. So not a triangle here necessarily, but a support on the moving down, you know, maybe something like that. I'll draw it again once we get close to it, but for now it's fine, right? Loud and clear. Thank you guys for being here and giving me the loud and clear. Let's keep rolling. Let's go to market cap for alts, dude. Look at this. Remember what we said? If we get above the all-time high, I don't think we're above the all-time high yet. We're definitely above the previous highs closing, right? All these are wicks to the upside. So we're doing much better already on market cap for alts, right? So we're opening here and bullishly pushing up at $430 billion for alts, which again is going to bring a lot more money into alts, which in turn is going to get alts to pump, right? And Bitcoin might lose some dominance, which should not be a bad thing. Bitcoin right now at 61.64%. Yesterday it lost a little bit of dominance, 0.36%. Today losing 0.76%. In that note, I'm going to check out the price of Bitcoin, which is at 37,232, below where I wanted to see it. Yesterday, we managed to get above 37,393. Sadly enough, today we moved down, and again, we're already open tomorrow for the market. So Friday, it's struggling right now to get above 37,300. It's became a resistance again. So let's see if we can get this to go above 37,300 into the weekend. It might give some good support and a good vibe for the weekend. Other than that, if we fail to get above that area, we could be looking for a movement down, maybe to 34,000. Again, that is the channel that we're in. There's not a lot of data here in the middle that we could go to. So again, we could get pullback. Let's hope that's not going to be the case for Bitcoin. On that note, let's go to the 4-hour chart. So we don't have a lot going on here. High, low, positive, high, low, right? Neutral, sorry, bought at 60.24. That's that. Bitcoin on the 4-hour. We had bearish divergence. Remember, we were expecting a moving down. Great, we got it. Awesome. Move down. Now what? Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point. Bought at 60.34. Interesting. Pedro, thank you for being here, man. ADA, sure, it's already on the list. I think. The one that's not on the list yet is DOT for some reason. Wow, dude, by the way, yesterday I was so gone that Soko was telling me after stream that some dude came in here, said if I said I love something, he was going to tip $1,000, dude. I was just like completely out of it. I didn't even see the comment coming through. I was like, wow, it's insane. I was like, wow, I missed that. So that's pretty crazy. G-Co, what's up? How's it going, man? Thank you for being here, man. Let's keep rolling. Again, bearish divergence, moving to the downside. We're getting a little bit of that. Again, trying to hold on support at the 20. If I bring it out, very likely going to be above it still, yeah. So let's see what Bitcoin's going to have in store. We're getting across the MACD under the signal line that could bring negative momentum. Does not necessarily mean we have to drop a lot. Here we got negative momentum. We did take a small drop, but you know, recover. We could get something similar here. Maybe using that 20 moving average as support and see if we bounce again. That's it for Bitcoin. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, we had the bearish divergence, remember? Great. So we're live here. Went off the air somewhere around here. So we're moving down. And before we went out, I said, look, if we fail to get higher than the previous high, could be moving down. So we're moving down on that. Now low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, low. Some hidden bullish divergence for that small pump to hit that 20 and rejecting, right? I know I owe you guys a drink. I'm going to get it in a second. At least I want to get Bitcoin advanced so I could, you know, go and get that drink. And y'all don't feel like I just came online and left you all hanging out here for a couple minutes as I go and pour myself a beer. Which reminds me, tomorrow I got to get beer because I don't have that many beers left. And there's no beer selling in Mexico, dude. Oh, you thought I was ignoring it on purpose? No, dude, I didn't even read it, dude. I was completely out of it, dude. Like, I wasn't sure if it was legit or not afterwards, right? So when, you know, Soko was telling me, I was like, dude, that's probably not legit. I'm not sure, man. You know, you never know, but I was really out of it, dude. So I was like, I didn't even see the comment to begin. Right? So yeah, we'll see. Still a weeknight, sir. Yeah, but it's Thursday. It's a little bit legal, right? It's just gonna be one beer. Jonathan Olvera, why is ZRX going up? Well, we'll figure it out. Yeah. Anyways, let's keep rolling. 1 hour, hidden bullish, 2 small pop, high, low, positive, high, low. All right, positive, negative, actually. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low. Low, lower, some hidden bullish against the RSI. Great. So from here to here, slightly higher. Just gonna make sure this all in the 1 hour, and it is great. And then from here to here, right, slightly lower still. So bearish divergence, right? Potential for action to the upside. We're pumping again. We're trying to get above the 20 and trying to get above 37,293. That's going to be really good. Bitcoin does want to get above that area. If it remains below that area, we're looking for a retest of 34,000 potentially. I don't want to see that happening. Oh, Pedro Carrancho. That sucks, dude. Let's roll on to Bitcoin half hour. After that, I'll get that beer I owe you. Now you have your money back. That's cool, man. Definitely a link is going to break out. We're actually, it's not on the list. So if you request it, I'll put it out there, man, because I do want to check out Link, man. I want to see what's going on. What?
Train. All aboard.
Montera, dude, thank you very much for that, man.
Audience, say it with me. Legendary.
Dude, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate that.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
I'll give you a high point as well, man. Just because you want to do a train, and I'll...
Challenge accepted.
Anyone challenge accept? Oh, I'm losing a pen. There we go. All right, so the half hour Bitcoin real quick. We had this hidden bullish. We popped on that, created some strong bearish, then we broke down, right? That's what I was looking for. Here we go, man. We weren't here at 2 in the morning, but you know, that's the play that happened, right? Here we go. Bearish divergence strong. Action downside moving down. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Nothing bullish. Then we took a small pop. Great. High, low. Some hidden bearish again. What? Yes, it's there. I can see it with my eyes. Happy to help. Keep it going. Thank you, Montero. Appreciate that, dude. Appreciate all the support you give to this awesome channel, man, and to the community. You need a chugga noise. Eventually choo-choo after enough train donations. Yeah, I know. Check out Ethereum after. Yeah, that's the second coin we look at, man. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Neutral at 51.73. I'm not seeing anything else happen here on Ethereum, unfortunately. That's it. Sorry, on Bitcoin for the 30-minute. I'm going to go back to the 1 hour. And again, we have this hidden bullish that's helping us pump a little bit. And like I said, look, we just rejected 37,393 again. We really want to be above that area. On that note, guys, I'm going to be right back. Someone tipped me to drink something, so I'm going to get a drink. I don't have an official drink, just water. So be right back. Stick with me through that second, and yeah, catch you soon. I'm back. Thank you for waiting for me. That small narration. I got myself a beer. Thank you guys for being here, and cheers. Thank you. Thank you. Bring facts for the tip for the beer, man. Appreciate that. Yeah. You are correct.
The dude abides.
The dude abides, Spring Facts. Let's roll. Kitty Kush, why are you gonna take a biggest dump? What green thing? Dude, I don't have Ichimoku Clouds out. This is the Bollinger Bands. I have Bollinger Bands behind there, man. See, even it says up here, BB. It's Bollinger Bands. Chug it? Hells no, dude. I only have 2 beers. Sorry, Min Guide. I cannot chug the beer, man. It's gonna take more than a $5 donation for me to chug a beer. I only have 2 left in the fridge, man. That's the only beers I can drink tonight. So I gotta buy more tomorrow. Yo, no way, man. I'm not gonna chug it. I actually want to enjoy it and do the technicals, man. I don't want to get like really wasted. Chugging this for frat girls. Yeah, let's keep rolling, dude. Ethereum, let's move over there. Yeah, let's check it out, man. Alright. Alright, so Ethereum on the daily, we had bearish divergence yesterday. We did pull back down a little bit. That's fine, you know. We were expecting that also. We had the bearish divergence. Move down. Right now, trying to reclaim the throne and go and hit that 1,698. Nothing against that. It doesn't have a lot of resistance here. It's just gonna basically depend on whether or not Bitcoin dumps. If Bitcoin tanks, it's definitely gonna take Ethereum down with it. It is bought at 66.57. Let's go to the 1 hour or 4 hour chart. Thirsty Thursday. Yeah, good evening, Karthik. Thanks for being here, man. Again, bullish divergence, strong action to the upside on Ethereum. We rallied up. That was great. We didn't create anything bearish up here. Dropped a little bit. Haven't created anything bullish, and now we're trying to pump up again. As that, people could argue that from here to here, we had some hidden bullish, and I could agree to that. I just don't like the hidden bullish on such a short time scale, right? And it'll be from here to here. I mean, yeah, we could say that we have that hidden bullish, and that'll be it, right? But again, not really liking it. About to get across the MACD under signal line. That would bring negative momentum in, and that could bring the price back down, maybe to that 20 to try to find support at 1,548. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Johan, yeah, comp's already there, man. This is number 7. Check out that list that comes up there before you request a coin. It really helps me out a lot, because then you already see what's up there. I removed Litecoin and XRP from the lineup, and I put DOGE and XMR. That seemed a little bit better because they actually did things yesterday. So we're gonna talk about those. Anyways, in the 1 hour, we had the bearish divergence. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Then since we just broke down, great. Low, high, negative, more negative. Awesome. We created some hidden bullish. And on that hidden bullish, we're taking that action to the upside, hitting that 20. And that is pretty legit. So hidden bullish, pump, hit the 20, rejected. Now we're trying to reclaim that 20 again, just like Bitcoin was, right? Again, moving up, not with the 20, but moving up. And again, more or less similar movements to Bitcoin. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on their side to hard point. Nothing bullish right now. Neutral at 54.39 on Ethereum. So Ethereum has hidden bullish fraction to the upside. Let's see if we can manifest it into an actual pump and see if we can get above 1,698. I'm not sure we're going to get above that area yet, right? Until we get above this area here, 1,660. Why am I saying that? Because look, we could still go here. Check it out, right? Right, we have a resistance. So we need to get above this previous high for me to be able to confirm, and like close above that area to confirm that we are moving up and indeed gonna try to retest 1,698. The list up there in the corner, man, it's scrolling through right under the subscriber goal right now. So again, if you guys like what we do, hit the like the button. If you like what we do, hit the like the button, sub. Thank you all for being here. Again, trying to pump. Let's see if we get above that area. If not, we're just going to be having a resistance here, right? And we're going to probably keep on testing it. I'm actually going to shift this to blue. And just so we can keep on tracking it as a potential resistance. We're hitting it. We're rejecting it. Again, we're going to wait for confirmation above that area, right? is 1,698. Top of the wedge. What wedge, dude? I don't have a wedge here. Here? The top here is, what is the closing, dude? 1,694. It's not a wedge, it's divergence, right? So I have trades divergence here. I didn't put a wedge. When I put wedges and patterns, I go with the blue color, right? So I'm not going for the blue right now because I do believe we could be trying to break this area on that's the resistance right now. We'll see. Dude, abandoned assessment. I'll check it out later on. I'm not sure if link's already on the list. It's coin 11. So whenever I get to it, we'll check it out, right? Bjorn, thank you for being here. Yeah, I mean, we're going to keep coming back to Ethereum to check it out again. We'll see where it's at. Let's go to DOGE. Because DOGE pumped on... Actually, we're going to go to Maker first. And then... Dude, I put XMR. No, it's Monero. We need Maker. I'm going to change that. Because Maker was the one that pumped. Not Monero. That was my bad. Let's go check out Maker, right? And see where it's at. Because Maker was doing really good, actually. It was still going green. So 6% to the upside right now. Right, look, it pumped 19.85% yesterday. It's pumping 6% today. That's what we're actually checking it out. So let's keep rolling. High, higher, high, positive, less positive, right? Monero is starting to develop bearish divergence strong on the daily, right? And from here to here. Strong bearish divergence, actually downside. It's awesome. We did trade some hidden bullish on Maker. Let me check if this one has data in it. Because we looked at Maker before, but for some reason... Oh, this was the one we were looking at before. Great. All right. So it's like, I got to find the one that has data in it. And this is it. This is one that has data in it. So great. There we go. A little high, and then negative, more negative, right? So again, creating that hidden bullish, hopping on that, getting above the 20, finding support, and then bursting. Again, strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. Let's keep rolling on Maker and see what else is up there, man. What? Bring facts. What about that, man? E-gold? Sure, man. I don't think I caught that. Feeling better? Yeah. Thank you, Jabba. Thank you for being here. Right, let's keep rolling with this one. Let's go to the 4-hour chart and see what we have there, man.
Love the channel. I just turned my first Bitcoin learning from. We please get a Rubik analysis tonight? Thanks. Cheers, mate.
Yo, Jeff, Joker, dude, thank you very much for that, dude.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
One more one up, and I'll even need a hype horn, dude. Thank you very much for that awesome donation, dude. Yo, so you earned your first Bitcoin learning from me. Awesome, dude. I appreciate that. Thank you for that, man. And can we go get a Rubik analysis tonight? Sure, man. I'll actually skip Dodge and put Rubik in. Check it out. Make sure I'm not missing anything else, dude. So, yep. What's up, the Chief? Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated.
What's up?
Maker, let's see, high, higher, positive, more positive, high on there is high, higher point. Nothing bearish on the 4 hours. It's looking really good, actually, on the 4 hour. We don't have anything bullish either, so that's great. It's just on its uptrend. I don't like the fact it's really high. It's just overbought at 83.52. That means we could be looking for a potential retrace happening, just in the fact that we're overbought. The 1 hour might have some bearish divergence. We're going to check it out when we get there. But let's go see, man. Let's go see what's in store for us tonight. What's in store for us tonight? There was some bearish divergence. Hidden. No, sorry, not hidden. Strong bearish divergence. For actually the downside on Maker. And then we just kind of like blasted off again. So great. It's not playing out anymore. High. Definitely higher high. Positive, more positive high on the other side to hard point. Bought at 73.05. Low, high, negative, more negative. We created some hidden bullish against the RSI, which again, potential for actually the upside, right? So that, someone said BCH. Sure, why not? Duster, I already did Bitcoin Ethereum, and my opinion is always unbiased. So I'm always having non-biased opinions. You can ask anyone that's in this channel. And yeah, I'm going to recap them in a little bit, right? So if you stick with me, at least through I get through comp, that's going to be project number 7. I'll recap them and we can look at them, right? Just making sure I'm not missing something here. I think I missed a coin on the list. I'm going to update it right now. Eagle was there and I didn't put it, but there we go. Awesome. Thank you all for being here again. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit like the button, sub, right? Let's keep going with Maker so you can finish it and move over to Rubik. So we're taking this very nice pump. We're starting to flag a little bit. We did consolidate very fast to the downside. I usually don't like that, particularly when we're starting to flag, because we don't know now how long the pattern's going to be or if we're actually going to get retrace. We came from overbought to bought, and now we're overbought again. There's nothing bearish in the short term. We just had a bull pull. Now, we could say that we're flagging, but not making the prettiest flag, right? I mean, are we looking at something like this maybe for a flag? I don't like it very much. It's not looking the best. Like I said, yeah, I would wait for something else to develop here before I actually come in. We could try to get to the same high, create a double top, maybe drop, or try to pump higher, create more bearish divergence, and then drop. It wouldn't be weird, right? We'd be going for high, higher, high, positive, less positive, high on their side to lower point. It could be a possibility for a Maker, right? So that being it for Maker, I'm gonna go check out Rubik. Let's go check out Rubik, man. I don't think we looked at this before. I don't think I have it here, so interesting. We're gonna look at it against Ethereum, I guess. I'm not sure. Who was it? Jeff Joker. You didn't specify a coin to check it out against, so I'm just gonna check out what options I have. Yeah, I think it's just wrapped Ethereum, so we're gonna check that one out. Sitting at 0.0002882 something waste, I think. Ethereum 2000 possible. You have one coin, but at 400. Dude, you're doing really good, just Colin. If that's your worry, I would say that you're already more than doubled your dough, maybe even tripled it by now. I mean, you should be good, right? Like, what's your stop loss? That should be the question, right? Like, when should you get out? Then you really gotta figure out like where to go, right? Because I think the question is like, how much profit do you want to take on the operation? If it's gonna drop below 1,600, do you want to like stop the bleeding, take 3 times your profit, or do you really just want to push for 2,000 Ethereum? You can always get back in if it keeps on pumping, right? Again, it's entirely up to you. I cannot tell you what to do with your money. Awesome. So Rubik against wrapped Ethereum. What do you have here, man? High, higher, high, and then high to low, right? So we have strong bearish divergence, and with that, we're looking for action to the downside. So strong bearish divergence, potential action to the downside is just going up too fast, too high, And we know that when conditions are really bullish as they are right now, sometimes bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. For me, this would just basically tell me to set up a stop loss in case it drops below the area that I'm really looking to get my money at, right? So, just make sure I'm going to keep my profits. That's what I'll be looking at here. I'm not sure where that area is going to be for you, Jeff Joker, but, this is what I'm looking at right now. Overbought, it's at 84.51. If it keeps on pumping, you can always up your stop loss. If it just drops, you only have one chance of setting it. So it really depends. I'm not sure what your in was here. I'm assuming you're probably getting a really good area of value. So, yeah. Again, it's a question of where is your stop loss going to be. Thank you, Just Colin, for being here, man. Much appreciated. So on the 4 hour, right? I'm just looking at the most recent stuff. I couldn't do fibs because it's going to its all-time high, let's say. So we cannot call this the area of retrace yet, or the local high. So that's why I'm not putting fibs for this coin, right? And again, we're in basically price discovery mode, I think. So, again, strong bearish divergence on the 4 hour for potential action to downside on the daily, right? Let's just confirm. Yeah, we did have a wick way up here. I'm gonna ignore the wick. But if I were to go from here to here, maybe it could work, right? So, will it give me targets to the upside though, right? So from here to here, this is the only thing I'm going to be able to do. We're above that 1618, right? Hit it as support, bouncing. We're between the 2618 and the 1618. Could try to make a run for that 2618. I don't think we're going to get there right now, mainly because we have the 4 hour bearish divergence. But like I said, right, we're in a major bull trend. Bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. How much weight you want to put into this is really up to you. Like I said, for me, it just means set up a stop loss, right? Because there's a chance it might go down. I'm not saying it's going to go down right now, but for me, it would give me that indication that you know it's probably a good time to consider a stop loss just in case it drops. Make sure you're securing your profits. Make sure you're taking profits consistently. That's the key to being good at making profitable trades, right? No point in having paper profits and then have them all vanish on a market drop. It's on the 1 hour, right? Yeah, it's on the 1 hour. All right, so we had this hidden bullish divergence, took that pop. Nothing bearish to this rally here. Then we dropped, we created more hidden bullish, right? So from here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. So on that note, hidden bullish divergence, action to the upside. Is now a good time to take profits in Ethereum? Dude, Kitty, dude, again, it's entirely up to you. It really depends on when you got in, man. And then high, slightly higher high. We're just making this new high, right? So you could still pull back down. Again, I'm not going to put a lot of weight onto the bearish divergence that we're making on the 1 hour chart, mainly because we're just getting this cross of the MACD over the signal line. So it's the first bar of positive momentum, but it is there, right? And it's going to take a lot of strength for Rubik to push against Ethereum for it to go higher than the previous high it has back here. So for Rubik, again, there's a chance it might drop against Ethereum. It's going to depend. I mean, it has strong bearish divergence on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, and the daily. So again, I would be a little bit reserved and set up a stop loss just in case it drops below where I wanted to get in. Look at this, man. Very, very nice holding support here at the 1618 before we actually run up again, and that's pretty cool. So that's that. I move into downside. Primary target would be the 20 moving average, which right now is at 0.00025. And if we drop that area, we were looking for something back here at the 1618. Again, look at that. Very nice support. 1, 2, 3. So that would actually become an area of support for this project. This could also be an area of support. I'll just put that one there. Because look, we resisted a couple times here. We used it as support recently. Again, 0.00223 could be an area of support for Rubik, man. Thank you very much, Jeff Joker, for the awesome donation, man.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Let's go Dodge. Yeah. Well, Carthago, yeah, if you take profits and then you buy in a dip, you're increasing your position with your gains, right? That means you get more of the same asset with the gains you already made. So yeah, taking profits is it's healthy. It gets you in a good mentality also, right? Having paper gains are good, think about how good you feel when you have paper gains. Now think about how good you're gonna feel when that money's actually in your bank account, right? Fun? Sure, man. I'm not sure if I've missed anything. Soka, can you please let me know if I missed anything on the chat? I think I haven't seen anything before. Fun. I'm just gonna put that there. Soka's one of the awesome mods that's here, just like Jake, and he's also helping out right now. I actually have him as a monitor in my ear. He tells me like if I missed something. So Soka's actually he can advise me if there's something off. I have him on chat. You guys can't hear him, but he can't hear me either. He's just watching the stream, but he just tells me like if something important is happening on the chat. Because you know, I yesterday I noticed that I missed stuff. And I asked him if he could hook me up with that today. So that's going to be interesting, right? So when you put that money in your bank, it's going to feel extremely good, right? So it's going to be good. Cash, what's up, dude? Thank you for being here.
What's up?
Andrew.
What's up?
Thank you for being here, man. Cardano, sure, man. I'm not sure if it's on the list already. Yeah, Cardano's on this list. It's coin 8. Now let's move on to RSR. No, I didn't have Ren on the list. Thank you, Soka. Yep, that one I had, BHCH. So yeah, that's good, man. Thank you, Soka. Sorry, so Soka was telling me that I missed Ren. Awesome, dude. Boomer's in the house. Yo, Boomer.
What's up?
Thank you for being here. Haven't seen you in a while, dude. I hope you're doing good. Let's check out DOGE. Why is DOGE pumping? Well, Elon decided to tweet about it, so we pumped yesterday, right? Got a little bit stronger than last time, right? We're actually closing slightly higher, which is fine. It actually closed at, what was this high here? 5.99, almost 6. No, it was the high, sorry. We actually closed at 5.3 cents. And moving down, trying to test support at the previous 100%, trying to hold it there. Again, right now we're on target to hit that 1618, and I would really be looking for DOGE. I mean, we did get a valid retrace to 618, so again, I'm looking for this move to the upside, right? Cartho, yeah, if someone requests DXY, I'll check it out. I do know that, you know, the dollar value does affect the price. I haven't seen if it's strengthening or not, but you know. DOGE, again, bearish divergence, action to downside, holding support. Let's go to the 4-hour. Looks like we're coming sideways here on the price, and I'm actually going to check here. Closed at 5398, and here's 5399. So it's 0.00001 cent higher. I'm just gonna call it sideways. If you wanted to call it that it's slightly higher, we would have strong bearish divergence, but it's like a fraction of a cent, right? So I'm gonna call it a medium bearish divergence, fraction of downside. Moving down, holding support at the previous high, trying to pop, failed to get higher than the previous high, dropping down again, and again holding support at 4.63, which is the previous 100% high. So neutral at 58.68. And on that note, let's move on to the 1-hour chart. Oh, I forgot the anchor stuff. Great. Let's just have this in the 4-hour, and I think also the stuff from the 1-hour is going to come over apparently. So awesome. Oh, sorry, the daily is going to come over. Great. It's a great. Oh, no, cool. This is what we had here. Right, so we're looking for some bearish divergence. We did move down slightly for a candle. Pump back up again. That was yesterday night. Again, move down for a candle. Pumped. Great. High, higher, positive, more positive. High, higher on the other side. From back here, we could say we have something, but we do have this island, and I'm going to ignore it. Just short term, I'm going to shift this up here and this to here, right? And you can see what I'm going to do here in a second. It's going to be like the, there we go, like that. So there is strong bearish divergence, actually downside, move down, hit that 100%, taking a bounce, dropping, trying to hold on to 100% again, right? That high at, what was this high? We called it out earlier, 4.5 something, 4.6 something. And holding support there. Sideways motion, low, lower, low, negative, more negative. From back here, we could argue that we're having hidden bullish, and that could be part of the reason that we're failing to drop lower. But DOGE is being pumped on account of Elon's tweet. So how much strength are we going to give to this, man? That is the real question, right? Do we believe Elon's words are going to keep DOGE floating higher? Or are we still going to see it drop back down, right? 0.618, yeah, dude, that's the one I'm calling, right? The 618. I just call it the 618 because 61.8% off the way on the retrace. So yeah, the 0.618 if you want, but yeah. Yes, it's 6.18. I'm sorry, orangutan trade salesman. Thanks for being here, man. 4.6. Yeah, I'm calling cents. 4.6 cents. I didn't call it dollars. That would be $0.047, right? But if you move the decimals to places, that would be 4.7 cents. That's how I'm reading them. But thank you for asking, orangutan trader, man. Is that a double top? Potentially, I'm not sure yet. We could be looking at it as a potential double top, but right now we're pulling back up slightly. We can definitely see that, man. But thank you for letting me know. Agandia TV. No, sorry, it wasn't Agandia. Who was it? That Mint Guide. Thank you for being here. Much appreciated. Dutch can get past 0.055. I'm not sure, man. I mean, Dutch is being pumped on Elon's tweet, so how much weight are we going to give to that? Let's take a measure here, see how much lower we're on percentage points. $1.80. So 1.80, 1.8% lower. That still fits. What? Yo, Dirk Richway. For some reason, your text didn't come true. That's weird. But hands doing. It was a the horn science. Yeah, awesome, dude. Sparkles. Yo, thanks for the awesome sticker, man. I really appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, man. Oh, you're Hype Horn also, man. Thank you for that awesome donation, dude. I really appreciate it. Aussie dollars, man. I think it's the first time we've been tipped Aussie dollars here. Great. Dude. So yeah, I mean, we could potentially look at this as a double top, like someone mentioned. Yeah, it could be, right? We'll be looking. I'll be drawing confirmation line in a second, but again, potential double top happening here. Zooming out a little bit, looks like an eve and potentially another eve being formed. So an even eve, and then confirmation line would be right here, which, I mean, we haven't confirmed breaking below. And the drop would probably be around 13 to 15% expected. So give me 1 second, let me make this blue. I'll become the confirmation line, and then if the drop were to happen, I'll go with 15% for now. 0.389. So around here, we're looking for the measure move, or not the measure move, but the actual move of the double top, right? Which again, we know it moves on a percentage basis. What? Thank you, Orangutan, for being here, man. So, let's keep rolling. Anyways, Guk Cap, thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Someone's birthday? What? Oh, Todd. Dude, Todd, happy birthday, man. I don't have anything for happy birthday, man. Yeah, I don't have anything for happy birthday, man. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated, though. Orangutan, look, if you have 4 cents, can you look? I'll do a quick exercise with you, right? Just for the sake of simplicity. Can you tell me how many cents that is? It's 4 cents, right? So if you have this number and you have another number here, you would say it's 4.7 cents, not $4.7. right? That's what I'm saying. It's 4.7 cents. If you cannot make sense of that, man, I'm sorry for you, right? If I was saying 4.7, I'm talking about the cents because we already know we're in a cent chart. I'm not saying 4.7 dollars, right? That would mean $4.7. If I say 4.7 cents, it would be 0.047, right? That's the number I'm reading, dude. I'm sorry if you cannot get this, man, you know, but if it's difficult for you, that's fine. I mean, I'm not going to waste any more time on that. I'm sorry, dude. I'm usually really chill, but you're really, really starting to take, like, you know, yeah, whatever, man. Oh, I lost the track of this thing, man. Let's get here into the overlays, man. Now, where's my elements for stream? Here we go, man. Where's my thing here, man? You can open this with the notepad. There we go, man. Now I can keep on updating the charts. Just block him? Yeah. I don't block people, dude. We don't block people here. Like, I don't believe in censoring people, but, you know, I'm just gonna ignore basically what he says, so that's fine. Is there a difference between DOGE, US dollar, and Europe? Rocco Bundy. Yeah, it's basically gonna depend on how much the dollar gained or lost against the euro. It should look more or less similar if they had almost no fluctuation, but if the dollar drops a lot against the euro, you might see that difference being reflected also against DOGE, right? So, yep. I know Elon Musk's a popular figure. I'm just waiting, like, you know, it's just gonna pump so long until that happens, right?
Appreciate the TA, bro. I have learned and will continue to learn. Buy more beer, bro. BTW, you're my first YouTube dono ever. Maybe last, hee.
Maybe last. Yo, Mint Guy, dude, thank you very much for that, man.
Say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you for that, man. I'll give you the hype horn, the Elvis,
Thank you very much.
the Elvis, and someone ups, dude. Why not? Thank you for that, man. Really appreciate that. Dude, thank you very much for the awesome donation, dude. Yeah, thanks for being here, man. Again, I hope you enjoy the content. If you guys do, hit like, develop, sub, right? I hope you continue learning. If you join us in the Discord, I can send you some more material. And thanks, man, for me being your first donation, man. And hope I'm not your last donation, man. Thanks. Yeah, potential double top, right? And then move down would get us to that area. So, nice. What indicators am I using on the Ethereum chart? I'm not looking at Ethereum right now. I'm looking at DOGE, but I was looking at the MACD and the RSI and the Bollinger Bands, Fibonacci's. I think that's what I had out for Ethereum. But yo, thanks, man. I'll buy more beer, man, tomorrow, because right now it's 9:45. I'm not gonna run to the store right now to get more beer. I'm live, but thank you for that, man. I appreciate it. Cheers to you, man. Let's keep rolling, man. Let's keep doing this. Oh, Boomer, isn't that nice? You're gonna make me blush. You and your 1 inch, dude. There we go, man. Let's keep rolling through the stream. Again, Dutch, yeah. Let's see if we break the confirmation line. If we don't, the double bottom's not gonna work. Sorry, double top's not gonna work, but we'll see where we go from here on Dutch. Again, let's move on to RSR. Good eye, whoever called it double top. I can't remember who it was, but yeah, good eye, man. Road Dutch, RSR. Right, so, yo, that beer looks good. It is good. It's tasty. What? Yo.
I love you. Smiley face. Smiley face.
Dude, thank you very much for the awesome donation, Lakvir Hebar. I really appreciate that.
Say it with me.
Oh, you're legendary.
Hail to the king, baby.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
A couple one up. Maybe even one of these hype horns. Why not, dude? Some people like the hype horns. Yo, thank you very much for that, man. I appreciate it. Double top. It just means that we're hitting the same high or very close to the same high with less resistance. It's an indicator that we might be weaker than seeking higher prices, and thus we could be looking for potential reversal. It's a common reversal pattern that we look at, like head and shoulders or tweezer tops or something like that. Arjun Gupta, can I explain the indicators? Man, I'm gonna do some. I owe you guys some educational videos. I'm gonna do them later on. I cannot do that now when I'm live. It's gonna take a lot of time from the stream. But dude, thank you very much for that. And I appreciate y'all for being here and the awesome support that you give to this channel. Again, if you like what we do, hit the like button, sub. Arjun Gupta, if you're on the Discord, I might be able to give you more stuff there. But here on the stream, I gotta get through some coins still, so I gotta keep on doing the analysis, man. I'm not gonna be distracted by doing that, man. But thank you for being here, man. Right? I appreciate it. Dude, that's so cool, man. Thank you, Fear. I really appreciate it. RSR, let's go on the daily. Where's it at? 3.9. 3.9 cents. High low, positive, high low, right? Neutral at 55.10. On the RSI, low, high, negative, less negative, right? Everything's good here on the daily. The last thing we had is this hidden bullish for action to the upside. We got above the 20, holding on to that 20. So that's pretty good. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. High, higher, high, positive, high on there, such a higher point. High, low, positive, negative, high, low. Nothing bearish. Low, high, negative, more negatives, hidden bullish. Great, some hidden bullish. And that's what we're keeping up with this action to the upside, right? Even getting above that 20. And that's pretty good. I like the fact that we're above the 20. I hope we can hold above the 20. We don't have anything bearish on the 1 hour. Sorry, on the 4 hour. And we're going to see what we're going to have on the shorter time scales. Good for that, man. Let's see what else is going on here, man. You're saying good night for reals, man? Dude, thank you for being here. Jose Palacios, yeah, you can join us here, man. You can learn stuff, and yeah, I can send you stuff if you're in the Discord. Nothing bullish, nothing else bullish besides that hidden bullish that we have, which is pumping us slightly higher. Again, nothing bearish happening. Neutral at 56.13. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Joel, what's up, dude? Oh, lower, negative, less negative? Yeah, let me zoom in here, actually. I gotta check this one out here. Right, and low, right? So we have some strong bullish divergence fraction to the upside. We took that very, very nice rally. Unfortunately, I think we still managed to hold on to some bearish divergence, and I'm actually going to check it out in a second. This is going to be on the 1 hour. There we go, man. Forgot to anchor. There you go. Now I'm actually going to zoom in here again. Or I'll just check here. What is this high here? 0.00022415. Great. So high, higher high. Again, had a low, positive, more positive, hidden bearish, action to downside. We're getting that. We're hitting that 20 and finding support. Let's see if we can hold on to that support and get it to go higher. That would be really, really cool if we actually can hold on support here. It could get us a target again over the 4 cent mark, which would be really good. Right now we're at 4 cents. And I really, really want to see this project going up higher. It's supposedly to have a lot of bullish news. I just haven't seen them. Again, someone could argue that we're having a double top. I don't like it as a double top. I mean, we are technically within a distance that we could be looking for a double top here. This would be looking a little bit like an Eve, and then this would be looking right now a little bit like an Atom. So an Atom and Eve double, an Eve and Atom double top. And again, I really don't like it as a double top though, right? So I'm gonna hold on to that and not say that we're doing a double top right now. But that's gonna be it for RSR. Again, that being said, great, holding support. Let's go to DVT, man, and then we'll keep on going with the request. Oscar Gordon, thank you for being here. The weekend is almost upon us. Let's see if we can manage to hold on to good stuff here on crypto. Sorry. There you go. I was losing a window that I needed to have open. Bitcoin broke out. Oh, we're gonna go check it out in a second, Duster. Thank you for letting me know, man. Let me do DVT and comp, and then I'll check out Bitcoin. I'm not sure how much is breaking out, dude. Give me a second, dude. Yeah, 37,300. Yeah, we can go check it out in a second, right? It seems that it has moved up a little bit. But let's get at least 2 DVT and comp, and then we'll recap, right? So the MACD and RSI. Again, we're gonna go through this real quick, right? Cool, 3.9 sats. Again, not really liking where it's at, but I do believe it's holding on okay, considering that it had a major dump by some bad actors. One bad actor that went there in and cried and, dumped 7 million DVTs onto the market. And that's just basically what's bringing the price action down. It does have good stuff coming out soon. There is some stuff happening with the Binance Smart Chain contracts. It's just waiting on some stuff from the... Sorry, something here. Making sure I'm not missing anything here. Here we are. Yep. So again, it's moving slightly down. They do have good stuff coming out. I want to show you guys. I'm not sure if I can show you guys this, but I want to show you guys something here real quick. Is it here? It's here. No. I think it was an announcements. Yeah. So this is happening on the vault, right? They're waiting on some things to finalize with South Exchange to get the wrapped the vault, which is going to be on Binance Smart Chain. And again, there's some good stuff happening. It's just taking time on South Exchange to do that. And once the Binance Smart Chain contracts are in, and we can wrap the coin, it's gonna make it. It's gonna do it really good for a lot of people, right? So the project does have a lot of potential. Again, just keep that into consideration. And that it's gonna recover, right? I'm also waiting for that recovery. So let's keep looking here. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high, high, low, positive, less positive, high, low. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Let's go to the 4 hour. Should we buy into Maker now, or is it too late? Alexandra, dude, I think Maker had some bearish divergence. I can recap it in a little bit, right? So just let me get to the recap portion of the stream, and we'll check it out. But for now, I'll say wait a little bit until I get there. Look, low, lower, low, right? We were here yesterday. It's more or less the same area. Just 1 cent, 0.1 cent less, because it's actually it goes to 9 decimals, not 8. And we have that strong bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. So I'm waiting for that to kick in. And it might actually coincide by the time things get settled with South Exchange and DVT is able to pump a little bit more. Now here we also have that hidden bullish happening, right? Look, low, wherever we want to call it, from here to here, low to high, right? And then negative, more negative, right? Again, we have that hidden bullish for potential action to the outside. Again, waiting for it to play out. Again, it dropped again. Someone tanked it to like less than 1 sat. And then it popped, and now it's dropping down a little bit, but it's not dropping it out as hard. And we could be looking for a potential bounce once this launches on Binance Smart Chain. So on that note, RSR taking a little move to the upside. Great, man, like we were expecting, right? Let's keep rolling with comp, and then we'll go look at Bitcoin, right? For I can't remember who said it was that Bitcoin was breaking out, but yeah, we're gonna go check it out in a second, right? So, comp, awesome. Right, comp sitting at $478.19. Again, comp had some bearish divergence here. We're looking at the 1 hour right now, so we're gonna keep on going with that, and then I'm gonna move in reverse basically because I already started here. So high to low, high to low. Strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside moving down a little bit. Not even going to that 20. That they bounced at the 20 would have been really good. We didn't get there. We're still creating a hidden bullish divergence, and that would mean action to the upside. And again, that is precisely what we're getting, that hidden bullish divergence. That's helping us rally a little bit. Now, if we fail to get higher in the previous high, we know what we're looking for, right? Another potential moving down. Do we have this divergence here, low, high? No, we don't have it against the RSI. Just against the MACD, right now we're bought at 64.75. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. I'm going to move in reverse here, right? We'll see. Hendesby. I also put DOGE here for a recap, right? So we're going to recap the first 4 coins we looked at in a second. Yo, Dynamic, how's it going, man? Thanks for being here.
What's up?
Worked out a resistance. Oh, that sucks, man. We're going to check it out in a second, though. Anyways, Duster, thanks for letting me know, man. Right? Low, high. Like, we were looking for bearish divergence here yesterday. We said is the first bar that we're making, so we're not going to put a lot of weight into it. Remember we said that yesterday when we were looking at this? We were live. So look, comp creating bearish divergence. The first line, we're holding on support at that 1618, right? 1.618, whatever you guys want to call it, the 1618. And oh, there we go, man. Holding support now, going higher. We're also making more positive momentum that we're back here, so we're losing whatever kind of divergence we were looking for, and that is fine. I mean, I don't mind losing that divergence at all. We also had this against the MACD, but just short term here on the MACD. All right, from here and from here to here, right? There we go. Barrel Tots and more. Thank you for being here, man. Link's moving up. Great. Thank you, Andrew. Link is coin 11. So yeah, it's great that it's moving up, dude. I love the fact that Link is moving up. I hold some Link. Thank you to you guys. Someone tipped on Link last time or once, and now I have Link. So thank you guys for that. I appreciate that. How's Ethereum? We're gonna do a recap in a second there, Isaiah. Thank you for being here, man. On the 4-hour, right? High, high, high. High to low on the other side. Bearish divergence, strong. Potential moving down. Again, I'm not going to put a lot of weight into it, mainly because we're in a super bull trend, right? So we know that bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out, but does have strong bearish divergence. For me, that would just basically mean set up a stop loss. Yeah, let's keep rolling. So overbought at 79.18, and that is fine. Now on that note, let's move over to the daily. Right, definitely going higher, more positive and higher on the RSI as well. Overbought at 81.70. Remember we said like we're super bullish, we're not going to call anything. We didn't have anything. We had this bearish divergence here, played us to the downside. We flirted with that 0.786 fib. Now finally bouncing up and, you know, overbought still. So nothing on the daily. Some strong bearish on the 4-hour, but it's very slight, dude. Right, it's over a 12-hour period or so. And then on the 1-hour, right, we have this strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside, hidden bullish trying to prop us up. But again, if we fail to get higher in the previous high, could be looking for a continuation of that drop, right? So, or the other position, right? We dropped, but we failed to drop lower in the previous low, and we started consolidating through the triangle shape pattern up here. And, you know, that would kind of look like a flag happening, but we'll see that. Or a pennant happening up here. So I think for comp, that being said, let's go check out other stuff. Making sure I'm not missing anything here on the chat, but I think I'm good. Let's get to Bitcoin. What's the Bitcoin doing, man? We had some hidden bullish divergence. We're moving up on that. We're hitting resistance at 37,393, and we're rejecting it again for the second time. Oh, we're trying to get it back above it right now. Almost. We'll see. We'll see. All right, it wants to get up above that area. We'll see how it is going to handle that. Let's go to the 4-hour and see what we have there, man. 4-hour, we had strong bearish divergence, right? We're down on that again, rejecting that $37,693 mark. So that's it for Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum real quick. Ethereum, we were clear, right? We had this divergence. It's very small also, right? Over a 12-hour period frame or something. But I'm not going to put a lot of weight into it. Like I said, we did bounce a little bit. We're starting to move down slightly. Bought at 63 on their side. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. Again, we have this resistance, right, that we're looking for it to break. We didn't break in the last candle. Look at that. We drew it, right? And I said, look, if we got to really get above this level and get above the previous high so we can continue up. to retest 1,698. We just rejected it. So we're probably going to try to find support at that 20 moving average and see if we're going to get there, right? Yeah, Bitcoin stalling is usually good for alts. It gives alts a chance to move. Aave, I don't think anyone's requested Aave there, Rex, but if you want to request a coin, there's a small thing down here that says add the set of crypto, and you just go add the set of crypto and then the coin, and I'll put it on the list. Thank you for asking, man. That way, that's how I distinguish. What is chatter from an actual request on the chat, because there's so much chat going on. I do try to pay attention to it every now and then. I come back to it, and if you guys like what we do, hit the like button, the sub, right? Let's go to ADA, man. ADA at 47.92 cents. Let's go to the daily, man. Cardano, we had bearish divergence, moved down slightly, found support, right? Above that 236 and above that 0.236 on the Fibs, and above 40.71 cents, and still going higher. We still have this bearish divergence. Remember, we got to anchor it from. Snap, I don't want to do that, man. We got to anchor it from the highest point on the previous island, right? The only reason I didn't go back here the first time is because I didn't want to get a lot of lines going through. And same would apply here on the RSI. We're anchor from there. So we still have this bearish divergence, strong for potential action to the downside. Again, potential, right? It isn't a bull trend, it's an uptrend. So you don't want to trade. You don't want to trade against the trend. That's why I'm saying it's potential. It might go down. We'll see, right? Again, for me, this would just indicate, look, there's a possibility it might go down. Set up a stop loss if you're worried about exiting ADA and hold some profit and then buy back in a lower price. Just make sure you have a good stop loss there. Oh, I forgot to go into DOGE and Maker, dude. Sorry, man. After Cardano, I'll go into DOGE and Maker. I just noticed that I forgot to do those recaps. That's pretty cool, Mint. Again, on the 4 hour, we're starting to create some strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside. And same observation that I made with other projects yesterday. I'm going to make it with this one today. It is the second bar of positive momentum that we're making. So it just depends how much weight you want to put into it. Right now we have it. It could go on building. RSI seems to be pointing down right now. Could be hinting at a confirmation for a move down. We'll see. Sometimes the dials don't grow a lot, right? Sometimes we have like one bar islands that can start to move us down. So that's there, man. Kenneth, yo, Merry Christmas, bro. Thank you for being here. Nexo, Don Juan, sure, man. I'm just gonna go on the list right now, man. Right meow. Oh, I should get that one, right? As a soundboard. The right meow. Writing it down so I don't forget, man. It depends on what I'm doing. If it's a support, I'm not going to put it as support. I'll put it slightly below a support in case it breaks support. If I'm looking at an area where there's no support, let's say we're just going up for Ethereum. Let's say right now we're going up. We don't know we're going to have support to the downside. We assume there's a support in it at a level. We might drop below that area. I might go with a percentage, right? It really depends. If you're into a lot of profit, you just want to make, like, just how much profit do you want to keep, right? And then just figure out how much percentage drop you're willing to take till you get to that point so you can keep your profit. But yeah, I wouldn't put it as support because the whole point of having it as support is that you're expecting a bounce there. So you would place it below a support and maybe like a certain percentage below a support or, a couple of dollars or cents, depending on how big of a move you're expecting. But, we'll see. Anyways, Cardano 4 hour bearish divergence strong action to downside. Overbought at 72.58. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. High, higher high, positive, more positive high on the RSI to higher point. Nothing bearish here from here, right? But from way back here, again, it's a higher point on the other side, right? As we're moving up higher, so we could say that we're having some strong bearish divergence. Look, we had strong bearish divergence yesterday, moved down, found support at that 0.236 again, and bouncing, right? So great. Now from here to here, right? That's the line. Again, I hate going over data, but that's the point I'm looking at here, right? So for all effects of this, I'm just going to anchor it to there, and say, look, it is strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside on Cardano. So again, for me, it'll just indicate plus a stop loss. Make sure you are good with that. That being done for Cardano, I forgot to do the recap of DOGE and Maker. I'm gonna go do them right now. First Maker, then DOGE. So Maker, we're looking for a potential triangle formation. Remember, I told you we were trying to flag. We gotta wait for it to like really determine what it wants to do. No longer a flag, right? We're starting to create bearish divergence, strong. To here, slightly higher. All right, and look at this, we're coming lower, high to low. Now, we didn't have this when we were looking at this a little bit earlier. We still managed to pump on the last hour candle, and now it's creating this strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside, and we're overbought at 72.15. So again, movement down, potentially hit that 20, right? That 20 moving average at $1,969.44. And yeah, that is that for Maker, dude. Again, I'm just gonna look at the 1 hour for Maker and DOGE, right? If you wanted the full detail, just go to the earlier part of the stream when we cover them in detail. DOGE to $1. Look, potential double top. Someone called it double top. I can't remember who it was. I didn't write the name. Sometimes I write the names on who called them. But yeah. Dolphus, quit selling. Go buy DOGE. Interesting. I'm good. Chinchi, thank you for being here. Appreciate it.
What's up?
So let's keep checking out, man. Let's keep checking this out. Again, below the previous 100%, right? Starting to pull back down. We might try to hit that 0.786 or 0.786 or 786 fib. All right, that's fine. That was you, Mint? What? Did I miss something in the chat? Mint, you called this double top? Oh, okay, cool, man. We'll put your name here, man. See? I keep on forgetting, man. Thanks for letting me know. We'll just put it like, oh, damn. I had it all caps. There we go. Hey, Mint guy, it's spotted DT. So we know it's your double top, bro. Again, breaking that confirmation, likely target at 3.88 cents. We'll see if we get there. Yeah, let's keep rolling, dude. Smoking gelato. That's pretty cool, man. Let's go look at Tomo. We haven't looked at this before. So interesting. $1.66. Right, so let's go Tomo and see what it's doing again. Bullish movement to the upside. When did this start? Is it an old coin? No, it's not that old of a coin. All right, cool. So I'm gonna throw some fibs out here. I'm gonna consider this to be the high. Or we're going to call this a local high, and then this is going to become our local low for the fibs. There we go. So we can see that we hit that previous 100% once, rejected, dropped back to that 0.786 again. And now pumping, getting above that area. So we're on track to do a retrace to that 1618 at 2.0, right? $2. Shredhead, you're my boy, Blue. Yeah, I need to get that one also. That's sound, dude. Andrew just bought more link in the breakout. That's cool, Andrew. Dot and then link, actually. But interesting, man. Tomo making moves? Yeah, we'll see, man. Called gelato. Okay. That's cool, man. The false flags. I'm like clockwork. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. I hope. Here we go, man. High, slightly higher high. That's great. Again, guys, remember, we're going to be doing stocks tomorrow at 1 p.m. If you want to join us for some stock action, join us there. I usually do the stocks. I'm starting to do the stocks after I finish my day trading in the morning, so. And just to talk about whatever else is moving in the market. So great. Strong bearish divergence, potential action to downside. We'll see where we're going to go with that. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Did I do Elrond? Not yet, dude. I'm just on Tomo. Like, that's what's queued up and that's scrolling through, right? So if it's not up there or we haven't gotten there yet, I'm just basically moving down that list. So if you see me doing, for example, right now, Tomo, and you want E-Gold, it's going to take 1, 2, 3 more coins. Link is number 11. Actually, it's Tomo dot and then link. So great. MA, we don't have a cooking show stream yet. That's going to be later on. It's going to be phase 3 of the State of Crypto Growth expansion plan. Up next is news, actually. We're going to start doing news. I used to do the news before, and then I stopped. So I really want to get back into doing the news. This is going to be a separate video. It's actually going to be a regular video. Like, I'm going to record it sort of live, like I'm doing right now, talking live. And yeah, it's going to be it. And then I'm just going to upload it. So I'm just going to go through the news, tell you what I think, and that's that. Short video, maybe 10 to 15 minutes. And yeah, it's going to be probably daily. High, higher, positive, more positive, high on their side to hard point. Are we going more positive here, though? Yeah, slightly more. So great, nothing bearish. Again, still pumping. We had this medium bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. And with that, let's go to the 1-hour chart. At Taza Therapeutics, your stock tip, 77% increase this week. Awesome, dude. Thank you, Chico. That's amazing. 88 minutes, yeah. We can recap, right? If you guys need a recap and we already did it, we can always recap. So no worries. You can ask for a coin. If we've already done it, I'll just put it for a recap. That's that. On our chart, bearish divergence, strong against the MACD, against the RSI for potential action downside. Moving down right now. Potential target would be the 20 moving average at 1.60 cents, $1.60. So great, that's the move. Here on the RSI, we can still go from high to low, right? And you're gonna notice that we're hitting a lot of divergence. From here to here, we'd have strong bearish divergence. Move down slightly, and then this will just strike onto there. Strong bearish divergence, move down slightly, and then that strikes onto there. And again, every time we're going from a high point to a lower point on the RSI, and right now still going to a lower point. So we have that strong bearish divergence for potential action downside. We did move down slightly, taking a bounce. Right now, starting to move back down again. Here, let's see. Low, slightly lower, negative, more negative, low on the RSI lower point. I was looking for some hidden divergence. We don't have it there. From back here, we could have some hidden bullish. And that could have been the reason that we kept on running up slightly more. Yeah, that's actually the only thing I'm finding here. So from here. That being said, that is it for Tomo. Thank you for asking for this project. Interesting to look at. I've never seen it before. It didn't exist in my mind until right now. Thank you for letting me know, man. You moved from Robinhood to Schwab. Yeah, Robinhood. I was telling Soka the other day that a lot of these exchanges that are doing all this shady stuff, they're not exchanges, but basically platforms for trading that are doing all this shady stuff, are probably going to start losing a lot of customers. Not only are they going to lose a lot of customers, they're probably going to go broke because a lot of people aren't going to trust them. Like, once they violate trust like that, it's going to take a lot of damage control and a lot of time for them to undo that. David de Los Angeles. Yeah, sure, man. Uni? Sure. Why not? I don't think it's on the list yet, so we'll put it there, man. So should I get out of Robinhood? I never use Robinhood. I'm in Mexico. I cannot use Robinhood. I use Trade Zero, and I'm happy with them. I haven't gotten any of that nonsense happening. So Entirely up to you guys whether or not you stay on a platform or not. Up next, Dot. 7 next break will be coming at Ren. Great. So, Dot, what's happening with the dot? The IPO is going to tank? Maybe, man. I mean, still yet to determine. They're still probably going to hold a strong base of people to probably IPO. But I'm not sure how well they're going to be doing on user-based growth for the next quarter or so. I mean, they might see a hit there. I mean, people like free money. So if they give some free money, people might go there for the free money and then leave them again. But who knows, right? Again, guys, if you like what we do, hit like the bell and sub. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for being awesome supporters of this community. And yeah. High, too low. Low to high, right? Hidden bullish. Actually, the opposite. Can pop, getting above the 20, using the 20 as support right now. A little bit undecided. High, low, positive, high, low. We don't have anything bearish. Have the hidden bullish. The last thing we had on Dot, it was, when did we call this? Yesterday. Bearish Divergence, strong. Action on the downside. Move down. Great. Found support at the 4.618, I think we are. We're really, really high. Fib node. 3618, sorry. 3618. I can't, like, you never get to see this one up here. So it's very weird. It's very weird that we're seeing high, higher, high, positive, high, higher. Short term. Yep. We're going to call this one here. Do I want to call this one here? Yeah, I mean, I did it for Ethereum, so I got to do something similar, right? It's just very, very tiny actually to the upside, but it's technically going higher. If you don't want to consider that going higher, you just want to say it's sideways motion nonsense, that's fine. We'll still be having bearish divergence, it would just be medium, but I do believe we have this strong bearish divergence that is very tiny. Enough to move us down though. Again, holding support at the 3.618 fib node. Low high, negative, less negative low, there's the hard point. Bought at 66.70, so nothing else that is bullish. Again, it could just be that we're consolidating this area before we try to move up again. And look at how beautiful. Last time we were floating between two fibs and finally broken above, and good stuff happening, right? Let's go to the hour chart. Yeah. I'm out of mana. I'm gonna have to go get more, I guess. So on the daily, what do we had for Dot? Bearish Divergence, I should have downside. We did move down yesterday. Now we're trying to bounce. That's pretty good. Zachary,
what's up?
Thank you for being here. High, higher, high, positive, less positive. Now we can actually anchor to a new, less positive momentum island. But again, it's the first of its kind. It's being born, right? It's a newborn island. So we gotta wait for it to keep on going, right? We did have that bearish divergence against RSI. We had it to zero, right? From positive to negative. So high, positive momentum to zero. And now we're actually going to a new negative momentum island, which is still fine. Again, it's still the same high. Neutral, sorry, not neutral. Bought at 66.88 on the RSI, man. Julian Kurtz, thank you for being here, man. What? What? Julian Kurtz, did I miss something? I'm not sure. Darvalis is out on a quest, I guess. Slaying a dragon. Oh, you're talking to another guy? All right, cool. Yeah, I was looking at chat and I was like, what? What am I doing wrong, dude? Yo, that's it for Dot. Let's move on to Link. A lot of people have been asking about Link, right? Sakayama, wow, this channel has grown 2 times since I last been here. Yeah, it's been growing a lot, dude. It's thanks to you guys and your awesome support and being here and your patronage with your views and your times and your likes and your subs. I really appreciate that, dude. You guys are amazing. The graph. Sure, I don't think the graph's on the list. No one's requested it officially. So someone just said girth on the chat. I'm not sure if they're requesting or not. Yeah. Not your keys, not your coin. Yeah, that's correct. Not your keys, not your crypto. Let's go to the link. Zelda, hey, listen. I should get that sound for when someone asks for a link. And then just go like, hey, listen. If you never played Ocarina of Time, you probably didn't have a childhood. We had Bearish Divergence, moved down slightly, taking a pop again. Link, it's moving up, $26.01. I love the fact that it's moving up. It's actually making new all-time highs closing, I would say, right? The close, not the all-time high wicks, right? Wicks we did get higher to $27, but we managed to close up here. I would definitely say that we're closing an all-time high, not wicking an all-time highs, right? We wicked higher. So again, difference, right? This is a wick, this is a staying close. That means that's where a buyers and sellers settled for the day or close the day. And that'll be really cool for Link. It actually means higher. So higher high, positive to negative still. So that bearish divergence still tracks and still tracks to here as well. So we're still building this. We don't have that new positive momentum island. Sometimes they do play when we have them here, right? From positive momentum to negative momentum. But I am expecting to see a positive momentum island build here. I'm not sure how strong it's going to be. We'll see. Let's roll to the 4-hour link. Link on the 4-hour chart. Low, high, negative, less negative, low on the other side of the hard point. Nothing bullish. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. Nothing bearish up to here where we were yesterday. Now until today, trying to create some of that bearish divergence. Some of that magical thing we call bearish divergence. And that could spell action to the downside. Hello, right? Did I anchor? Yep, I anchored. Great. And from overbought to bought at 67.66. Sounds pretty good. Pedro, what is breaking? You just said it's breaking. I'm not sure what I said, but let me know. Again, bearish divergence, strong action downside. That's that. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, high, higher, high. Dude, positive, more positive. We're anchoring from here. Look at this. Here, it's one example of how it plays, right? Although this is very tiny positive momentum, it's barely seeable. We actually looked at this yesterday and we said, look, bearish divergence, strong action to the downside. Oh no, we've moved down. On that move, we created some hidden bullish, which is the only good thing that we have going on here. And on that account, we popped. Great. We are popping. Link? Yeah, it's moving up, right? And look at this, right? From here to here. So we have that bullish divergence fraction to the upside, which is pretty cool. Now we're getting that pump. Now, for me, what? Lockveer Hahar, thank you for being here, man. I really appreciate it. That's the second time you tip, man. Dude.
Say it with me.
Legendary.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, dude. I'll give you like 2 1-ups for those $2 Canadian, man. I really appreciate that. Yo, back. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. What an entry. What an entry. Can we get a round of applause? Yes, we can. I just don't have him here. Can we get a round of applause for him? Thank you for that, man. Welcome back. Let's go check out Link still. I want to show something. Breaking up our resistance. I'm not sure, bro. We're breaking up our resistance. Yeah, we just broke out, right? I mean, yeah, we could draw some kind of resistance here. I'm assuming a little bit more right now and try to see if we have it, where we have it. But yeah. Yeah, I mean, wicked it here. I could avoid those wicks and then the closing here, so that's fine. Yeah, we're breaking up, dude. We're breaking above that area. But here, I will be looking at this a little bit different, right? I will be looking at a line, maybe moving like this, right? Where I have that line going. And that's the line I will be watching for it to hit or break, right? To the upside. So this would be the trend line that we failed to break last time. Wicked it, rejected, and then broke down. So this would be our breaking point. I'm just going to leave this one here for now. We can look at this one that is very steep. Some people might not like it. Some people might want to say, look, what about the data back here? Or the data back here? Yeah, we have another high here that we're ignoring and all these touch points that we're not getting. So I'll definitely be going here. Some people might be looking at this like that, right? And say, look, that is the resistance that we're breaking above. Yeah, that could be a resistance that we're breaking above. Again, I don't have anything against that. We are breaking up, which is fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I actually like this one a little bit better. And yeah, we can say that we're breaking above that resistance. So that's pretty good, man. I like that. 28 might be a first target. I'm not sure. Is it going to be a first target? Do we have fibs out here? Let's get the fibs. Let's get the Fibonacci's, dude. Yeah. We already broke the 1618, so I'm going to get rid of this one here. Gonna look at new fibs, right? We haven't updated fibs for Link in a while, so let's go up. Gonna go high to low here on this fibs here. So from this high to this low. So great, we're hitting the 1618. Awesome. Next target would be the 2618 at $38. Great. Let's see if we can get above that area and manage to keep on pumping on Link. So new fibs, right? Let's go to E-Gold. Oh, that sucks, bro. Link's MAC resistance at 26.5. Maybe. We'll see. Rejection. We'll see, man. I mean, we can come back to it again. Now, let's move on to E-Gold and see what's doing out there. No one knows what it's doing back there, man. Meatloaf. Oh, we're also like fibs have gone out the window here, so you know whatever. Gonna get rid of the fibs because they no longer matter. It's still going insanely high, insanely fast. Remember when we said the bearish indicators have lesser chance playing out? They do, because we're in a bull trend. Doesn't care about being overbought. Doesn't care about the bearish divergence that he's creating along the way. It just wants to keep on going. It's like the hungry beast. It's like the Hulk in rage mode. It just wants to go up. It doesn't care about the divergence. It doesn't care about the barriers. Like the juggernaut. Ooh, that was a billion Deadpool. So what is this? 83, 83.64, 83.29. All right, so slightly higher. Again, strong bearish divergence against the MACD. That's it. We might undo this really quick if it pumps more. Eagle doing really good. I'm gonna try to come back to it and try to find some fibs. But you know, from low to high, we're not making any fibs because we're just completely blasting through everything. So blast off for Eagle. So pretty cool, right? The only thing I don't like here is the fact that, you know, we could be looking for a move down on the count that we're highly overbought. So on the daily here, again, same thing, right? Bearish divergence. Strong for potential action to downside. So that's that. And let's go from here to here. Strong bearish divergence, section of downside, starting to climb back up. I mean, nothing else here. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low. Oh, some hidden bullish. You can see surprise, huh? There we go. There, that anchor to here. And then low, lower on the RSI. Great. Lower, low on the RSI. Some hidden bullish, taking a pop. Now, strong bearish, moving down slightly, trying to climb back up. Girth, sure. Did we already have a girth chart open somewhere? I'm not sure if it's again on the Binance, but we'll go with the one that we have open because we have a lot of data there already. What? Julian, I'm looking at Eagle. Is it really hard to see this? Maybe on if you're on a cell phone, this might be really hard to see. I did find a way to get a magnifying glass here for these to be able to show bigger on the screen. Might be cooler, but we'll see. How much dodge do you have to be part of the movement? I have some free dodge. Does that count? That's like 20 or 50 dodge or something like that. Bearish divergence, moving down. That's that. Bought at 66. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Quick second, guys.
Thoughts on sand?
John, what's up, dude? Sand? Sure. It's grainy. I can look at it in a second, though. When you said sand, yeah, we're gonna check out sand in a second. Someone asking for VT as well. Sand is gonna be right after E-Gold, right? Thank you for the awesome donation, dude. That was legendary, man.
Legendary.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for that, man. You went up. So, E-Gold, GRT, we're gonna... Sand and VT towards the end, right? GRT and VT. I'm updating the list, guys. Just give me one quick second. There we go. Link updated. Something about a good idea. What? Sorry, guys, to get it. What? I'm trying to figure out what Jake says. Something said at the Bitcoin mob, it's a great idea. Dude, I didn't catch that comment, Jake. What was that? Should put the watermark on everyone. You can see. Should put the watermark. What watermark, dude? Sorry, man. I'm not catching the watermark thing. Oh, yeah, dude. Maybe I should do that, right? Dude, I never turned that on. I gotta figure out where that is, but watermark, here we go. Does that look good to you guys? I might try to make it a little bit, can I make it a little bit more opaque? This might work a little bit more, right? Yeah, it's on settings. I found it, Jake. Thanks. Trying to figure out if that's a little bit better, man.
What you gonna do with all the gains, Martin?
False flag, dude. Thank you very much for that, man. I appreciate it.
Say it with me.
Legendary. Dude, thank you very much for that.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank you very much, dude. Dude, you know what? I got a dart in my neck. Dude, you got a dart in your neck. What dart, man? Yeah. Rings not resistance in the past 10 years. Plus stuck. Awesome, dude. Missing something here. What am I going to do with the gains from what false flags? Let me finish E-Gold so I can move on to the next request, which is tongue twisted, which is sand. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. Even here, higher, 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 low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Neutral at 63.12. That's that, dude, right? Again, I'm not seeing anything here. Here we had some bearish divergence move down. Yeah, so, some strong bearish divergence. Hit that 20, found support and pumped. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, high. That's it, dude. I mean, I'm not finding a lot for this here on E-Gold right now. Let's go to the 4 hour, dude. Just that bearish divergence, potential extra downside. And that's that. Let's move on to sand. All the gains from crypto or like the stream, man? I didn't catch that false flag. Let me know what's up. Because you got a bag of goodies. Just wondering if you had any assets or trips. have my heart set on? No, right now, dude. Right now, it's still all goes to, like, from what comes from the stream and this stuff, it all goes back into the stream right now. And anything else that I have on stocks and etc. gets reinvested. So right now, I'm not actually taking anything out. Everything goes back in. It's the quickest way to amass more. Someone sub. Thank you for being here. Carlos, suck it. Dude. Thank you for the stop, dude. Rudy Vicente, thank you for being here. That's sand. Yeah, we rarely get those. Takes a while for YouTube to do that. So let's go sand. 0.11. Awesome. What's this, dude? Getting above that 236. That's fine. Bouncing at 382. Awesome. Some bearish divergence starting to build here, right? Again, like with other assets. High, higher high. Positive momentum, less positive momentum. High on the other side to lower point. With that, we have strong bearish divergence, right? Ethereum cup and handle? I'm not sure. We got to go look at Ethereum on a recap and see if they have a cup and a handle. Do I respect Raul Paul's outlook on crypto? I'm not sure, dude. I don't follow him, so I rarely look at other people's for crypto stuff, man. It's I don't look at other crypto people. Animation Blaster, hi. How's it going, man? We already checked out DOGE. I can do it in a recap. Right, so strong bearish divergence. Overbought at 75.50. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Right, so here I'm looking at two different things. One of the moves is from high to low on the MACD, going on like this. And the other one, right, and that would be from here to here. So that's one. And then the other one I'm looking at, it's from here to here. And from here, high, right? Or overbought at 70.25 to this area, which is just bought at 68.97. So on that, I'm looking at some strong bearish divergence for potential action downside on two different things, right? Dude, I didn't get that the false flags. So I didn't quite catch the whole comment.
Thoughts on ADA?
Awesome. Akasha, someone. Yeah. Sure, I'll recap ADA, man. Just give me 1 second. Let me finish that, and I'll move on to ADA for a recap. I already checked it out, but I'll do it again, man. No worries. Sure, man. Again, with all the chat that's going on and concentrating on what I have to do here, I'm not paying a lot of attention to what's happening on the chat if I just catch one of the comments, I really get a scroll through to figure out what's happening. Right now, I'm not going to do that. I got a lot of coins still move through. Again, bearish divergence, strong potential action to the downside. Again, potential, right? That's what I would be looking for. That could bring a retest of the 0.236 here. And here, I'm almost positive that we're going to be getting this divergence. Also strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside as well on the 1-hour chart. Same target, right? 0.236, high to low. Then high to low here. Very slight though, but it's there. There we go. Bought at 72.73. 72.78, still slightly lower, but it is there, right? I mean, we might shake it off against the RSI. I mean, against MACD, we're probably going to hold on to it a little bit more, but also very, very close to undoing it. And, you know, if we shake it off here, there's a big chance we might try to shake off the bearish divergence on the 4-hour as well. It's not really that much that we got to pump to get rid of it, and it could be bullish enough that it's trying to move up higher. Now, on the 4-hour, some people argue that we're doing a sort of double bottom here. And yeah, I mean, it could be the case, particularly if we tighten this a little bit more. And, you know, looked at this here. Yeah, it could be a W shape here that we're making. And yeah, it could be a double bottom, right? So, I'll give it the double bottom to this on the 4-hour chart. On account that it looks like a double bottom, so. Then we'll have a confirmation line here. Looks like an Adam and Eve double bottom. I already brought that up plenty of times before on other streams, so I'm not going to be bringing out my trusty book. Let's look at the percent. We know it should be on the 30%, so 33 to 37%. It could have been that if it was 33%, we already hit that measure move, right? So we're probably late to the party here. Right, so this would have been our confirmation line. We broke it, found support at confirmation line, then burst through, actually hitting that 33% increase. So yeah, good stuff there, man, right? That being said, that's it for sand, dudes. John, thank you very much for the tip for sand, man. I hope you enjoyed the TA. And if you did, tell your friends to come here. Hit the like button, the sub, dude. 100 likes, awesome, dude. That's so cool. Dorvalis is back from his quest. He came back from questing, right? We sent him on a mission to slay a dragon and somewhere. I'm not sure. Yeah, someone said to recap ADA with a tip, so let's go do ADA. Again, if it seems like I'm going to rush to ADA, I'm not going to rush. We've already looked at it in detail, so it's probably going to be looking at more or less at the same thing. I don't expect a lot to change. But on the daily, we have strong bearish divergence, right? High, higher high, positive momentum, less positive momentum. On the RSI, same move. We're bought at 72.62, so on the daily, we have some strong bearish divergence. On the 4-hour, I think we also had some strong bearish divergence. So action to the downside, right? Moving down slightly. So again, overbought at 73.58. And we call that probably last hour? I'm not sure. Maybe this hour, maybe last hour. But again, moving down. And on the 1-hour chart again, same move, right? Strong bearish divergence, potential for action to the downside. We are moving down slightly. Right now, moving down on the 1-hour chart would have us targeting that 20 moving average. And I think that's going to be too low, 44 cents. Right now, we're at 48 cents. We might try to find some support up here. I actually draw this line because it seems like we topped here twice, at least on the price closing here and here. So again, 44 cents could be a potential support. It's very close to the 20. 20 is at 44. Sorry, the 20 just moved. There we go, 44.17. And the other support that I have is at 44.78. That is if we move down strongly, right? We could start a flag here on this move up and then maybe try to run up again. Still yet to be determined, but that is what I'm looking at for ADA, man. Thank you very much for the awesome donation. Hope that did justice to your ADA, man. Cash Sungwon, thank you very much for that, man. On to Bitcoin Cash. Well, that's pretty cool, Dorvalis. I'm glad that you're going to college, dude. That's awesome, man. $262, $253. There's going to be some bullish divergence there. What do we have for Bitcoin Cash? Last time we were looking at this, we were looking at a kind of flag formation that we ended up breaking to the downside and bearishly moving down, probably along with Bitcoin and the rest back then. But low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Again, this hidden bullish that we're looking to here, again, we would have kept on tracking, right? To here would have played, small stall, breakdown again, reversal. In that 20, rejection, right? So again, that tracks onto there, and then we would have also developed it against the RSI, right? So again, with that, potential for action to the downside. Let's go to this here. There we go, man. Awesome. High, low, positive is positive, or positive to negative. High, low, we're below. I like this, dude. Are we above the 200 moving average? Are we above the 200 moving average? Let's see. Yeah, we're above the 100 moving average on the daily for sure. Oh, I like this, man. This could definitely work for click that box and there we go. So I'm looking at this and basically seeing that we're about to get cross of the MACD over the signal line. All right. MACD signal line. We're likely going to get it below the 0 line on the MACD. And according to the MACD strategy, this could be a really good in if we get it below the 0 line, right? That cross above the 200 moving average, MACD going over the signal line, under the 0 line of the MACD could bring action to the upside. So it could be a good position to open up. Remember, sometimes I do circles, put the where the crosses are. That could be important. And we get those moves, right? Alice 94, thank you for being here.
What's up?
So that is it for this, man. On the daily. Let's move on to shorter time scales and figure out what's happening there. McDonald's coin. Sure, why not, dude? Yeah. Just sure, just do add the set of crypto and do the coin that you want and I'll check it out, man. Why not? We can have fun. Between cash. Sorry. No. Yeah. On the 4-hour chart, high, low. Let's see. High, low. Bearish divergence. Strong action to downside. Here we go. Again, strong bearish divergence against the MACD, not against the RSI. And with that, we're getting action to downsides. Very nice. Little high, negative, less negative, low on the RSI to hard point. Oh, from here, do we gotta consider this negative momentum as a valid island of nothingness? We could. And we could say, look, from here to here. And from here to here, we are creating hidden bullish. And with that, potential action to the upside. Great. Hidden bullish divergence. Last thing we have, bouncing out, hitting that 20 and rejecting. Remember, sometimes the hidden bullish is just good enough to get us to the 20. Sometimes it does get us above the 20 moving average, but let's see if we can hit the 20 and get above there. Right now, it looks like we're rejecting slightly. Let's go to the 1-hour chart and figure out what we have there, man. On the 1-hour chart, we're getting above that 20 moving average, which is really cool. We're coming definitely up higher, right? Look, a lot of bearish divergence being built here. From here to here, that would be one. And then we will get another one. Yep. There can be only one. Highlander. Right here and from here to here. And then from here to here. And from here to here. What?
GRT?
GRT? Sure to do, man. We can check it out. Dude, John, thank you for that, man. I appreciate that.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, bro. What do you think?
Thank you very much.
And the hype horn, bro. Thank you very much for that, dude. I'll put GRT right after Bitcoin Cash. The McDonald's coin, sure. We said Bitcoin Cash after that. We will do GRT. There, Raymond. Thank you, John. Appreciate that, man. Let's keep rolling, man. Bearish divergence, strong action, downside, moving down. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Low on the other lower point. Great. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Good. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish, just sideways motion. Awesome. Awesome, not awesome. Do we have something back here? Yeah, we do. From way back here. From way over yonder. We're creating some hidden bullish. From back here to up there. And probably the reason that we're pumping again, it's just the only thing I can find to merit that pump. And yep, we're pumping slightly, hitting the 20, rejecting, getting above the 20, but not by a lot. Still good enough for right now on Bitcoin Cash. Let's move on to the graph. Sorry, yes, someone requested some girth. There we go. Let's go to the graph. Do the MACD and RSI ever contradict each other? Yes, sometimes, Keegan. Not by a lot, but sometimes we do find stuff on one and then we don't have it on another one. Like here, look, here we went slightly higher on the MACD and we're coming lower on the RSI, right? We're creating that strong bearish divergence, right? And they're contradicting because we don't have it here. Yes, it's common that we don't find everything once in the one place. But yeah, good question. I mean, when you're doing positive momentum, you're expecting to see price action to the upside, and that is fine. Again, movement down on price, right? Drops on the RSI, they're more or less similar. But see how here we have that strong bearish divergence being built, right? We're coming from a high point to a lower point, right? And here on the RSI, look, we're going from a high to a higher point. Yeah, so they're contradicting. We just don't have it against the other one. So here, I'm looking for that bearish divergence. We had it yesterday. We did pull back down a lot. Now we're pumping a lot on the graph. Again, I'm not being bearish on it. There's just bearish divergence. It's a strong movement to the upside that it's been getting. For me, again, this will just mean set up a stop loss if you want to take profits and then buy back in at a lower price in case it drops on the fact that it has bearish divergence, right? So strong bearish divergence. Let's keep rolling. Overbought at 68.89. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Look at the 4-hour chart. One of those weird things that we sometimes get. High. Oh, we did manage to go still slightly higher high. I thought we were going to undo it. And I was like, look, we had it. We undid it because we had it. So awesome.
I'm back again. Embarrassed smiley face.
Luck for your heart. Dude, thank you very much for that, dude.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that, bro. I really appreciate that, dude. I'll give you a
Thank you.
Elvis, thank you, man. And the heart horn. And a hail to the king, bro. Dude, you've tipped so much tonight, man. I'm so, thank you very much for that, man. I really appreciate that. And keep coming back as many times as you want. There we go, man. Let's keep rolling. Up next, the graph. Let's keep doing this, right? We were calling for bearish divergence here. It's going from high to higher high, and then positive to negative. We do want to anchor to a new positive momentum island, remember? And, oh, you don't include the wicks? Sometimes, Keegan, it depends. The wicks, for me, they represent highs and lows, but usually volatility, right? That means the asset wasn't strong enough to remain at that area. It depends on whether or not I want to account for volatility if I use the wicks. If not, I'm using the bodies. That means just where the trade settled for the hour change. And I would just go with the bodies. So if I do feel that we're in a strong bullish market, I might use the wicks to account for volatility. If right now, like we're doing right now, I'm using the bodies, right? But you can use wicks to wicks or bodies to bodies, but you don't want to mix and match. You don't go body to wick or wick to body, right? So, again, strong bearish divergence. Here was the negative. Now, what happens if this line would track it up there, right? That's what I was going to do, just move it from here to here. But here it played out. That's the only reason I'm leaving it, so you guys can see it played out. We're going to a higher point, right? And coming from high to low, right? So a positive to less positive momentum. On the RSI, we're also doing the same move, right? High to low. Overbought. It's not overbought. It's bought at 68.22. But this island is starting to build. Is just 2 bars in depth. So we could be making more positive momentum. That means price could still going higher. I'm not going to say it's done with the bearish divergence, but we could keep on building it. It's going to take a lot of strength for this asset to pump and make more positive momentum to get above this high here, or get above this high on the RSI, or overbought at 77.80, right? So again, possibility for action to the downside. Again, Just make sure you have stop loss if you believe it's going to go down. Potential target right now would be that 20 moving average, which would be sitting at 79.50. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence back here. Dropping low, lower, negative, more, negative, low, lower. Nothing bullish. Great. Low, high. Great. Hidden bullish from the previous low. Awesome. This works. Are we going to have it here, though? 42.98 and 43, slightly higher. So low, high, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish divergence. Taking that new pop, that's fine. High, low, positive was positive, high, low. Great. Low, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, high. Nothing bearish right now. Impulsing up after finding support at the 20 and potentially going to start a flag right now. Good stuff for the graph. Again, doing really good. Thank you for asking for the graph. Comp, we already did, man. I'm going to recap it, though. After I do RAN, and RAN's the next coin. So after RAN, I'll recap Bitcoin, Ethereum, DOGE, I guess, and Comp. And yeah, I think that's what's up for the recap right now. Awesome. So, move on to the RAN. RAN and Stimpy. $0.97. What? You guys prefer Coinbase Pro or Binance US? Oh, good question. I cannot use Binance US. I use international Binance, but yeah, I think Binance is better. The only thing I have against Binance is there's so many bots trading there that if you want to take a quick position and actually, place it at the level of entry, you're going to get a lot of bots that are going to come up and eat up your position really quick, and your position is going to be left behind. That's the only thing I hate. You basically, if you want to buy and set up a position at the top of the book, you either have to buy at market because it's going to be impossible for you to get it. McDC on Dex Tools. Yeah, if you put it at the start of crypto and then requires the coins, I'll check it out, no problem. Yeah, that's like this is the format to request a coin, right? So add the start of crypto and then the project, and then I'll put it on the list. Otherwise, they don't get cute because that's how I distinguish what's chatter on here in the chat from what's actually been requested. All right. So higher high. Again, getting above that 1.618 retrace on the fibs. So that's pretty cool. Hello. How do you do? Great. Duffus. When am I looking back at Ethereum Bitcoin? Right after this. Strong bearish divergence. I should have downside potentially for RAN again. We haven't called anything since. Back here, the bearish divergence. We haven't looked at it in a long time. So we don't have a lot right now except for this. We did have some hidden bullish back here, which again, we could just call upon. One day, I will call upon thee. Yeah, hidden bullish, popping, creating strong bearish. Potential for action to downside. Again, this is a second bar. It could go on building, right? It could be going higher, and we could be shaking off this bearish divergence. But right now we have it. Again, we just acknowledge it for what it is. Maha, sure. Have you looked at ADA yet? Yeah, I did it earlier. I did it on a recap that got requested, and I'm gonna do it again on the recaps if you want. great. We're going to have a couple coins to recap. Thank you, John Boyton, for being here. Ran, wrecked you, and then he pumped. Oh, that sucks. Sure, right after this, man. Right, I'm going to recap right after this. Stone Cotton, thank you for being here, man. Let's keep rolling. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher, high. Overbought at 83.01, so I'm not finding anything here that is bearish. Last thing I can find here, and just by looking really quick back here, is a bullish divergence, a strong bullish divergence that we're getting for action to the upside. And would you look at that? It's there. I also seem to have it here against the there we go. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Let's see if we have something here. I don't think we're gonna find anything here, so it just feels like I'm hunting for stuff that's not here. I mean, sometimes I am surprised and there's something, but right now it doesn't look like there's gonna be anything higher, more positive, higher on the other side. Everything's good. Nothing bearish right now here on Ren on the short term. So yeah, it's just going high, right? It's just overbought at 84.38. We could be looking for some potential pullback there. One quick second, guys. That was T-Connect. The wife bringing on some tea. Yeah, you already know, right? Come up. It is a tea time. It's just my throat doesn't get sore throughout the stream. It's tea with honey. It's pretty good tonight. I'm not sure what it is. I think it's mint. Yeah, it's mint and chamomile. Pretty chill for the throat. That's it for Ren. I mean, I'm not finding a lot. Just the pullback that we could get on the fact that we're overbought. That's that. I mean, I wish we had something else. Do Ave flagging. I'm not sure if it's flagging, man. Request, right? At the State of Crypto. Ave, it's not on the list. We haven't done it. No one's requested formally. No time for sleepy time on this crypto market. Oh no. Can we have a look at XRP? Great. We'll look at XRP, man. Dude, I've already passed the tip. I didn't bring out the troll. Seamus. Not the troll. Seamus hasn't come up. We did already pass $50 a while back on donations, guys. Seamus is gonna come out to play. Here we go. Seamus up for the stream. Seamus always up for the party. He's drinking. I'm chilling. And awesome, dude. Thanks for yeah. Let's go Ren recap. So a lot of recaps, right? I haven't done XRP, so it's just I'm getting queued, right? So Baja and then XRP, I guess. XRP. Sure. Let's keep rolling. Seamus be chilling, drinking a beer. Bitcoin. Batter up. Bitcoin recap. Oh, that hidden bullish pumping us up. Oh, where? We got the target. Awesome. We managed to get above 20. Great. But we're rejecting 37,293 still. Oh, no. Again, we said we want to be above that area. That rejection feels really bad. Yeah, it's failing to do anything. Let's go to the half hour, dude. No hidden bullish. Nothing bearish. Again, rejecting spot on at $37,393 mark. Awesome. Am I missing something here? Can you see my chair? It's made out of wood. Oh, yeah, but, you know, Super Chat doesn't get added up to that goal for some reason. I'm not sure why. Like, Super Chat gets counted separately than whatever comes through fiat or, crypto donations through PayPal or OneUpCoin. For some reason, Stream Elements do not put it together. And if that were to be the case, I would really have to up it up a little bit more because YouTube takes 30% of every tip, so they take quite a bit of the tip. So instead of $10, they keep 3, and I get to keep 7. Still pretty cool. Mar V1, buy it. Buy what? NFT is a future. Yeah, NFTs are potentially a future for some things. Maybe like there's some things that have their value, right, Zachary? I do believe there's certain things that need to have a physical presence in this world, right? Imagine having a #1 edition of Spider-Man, or a #1 edition of Action Comics, or a Babe Ruth signed card, or a Mickey Mantle signed baseball card, right? Or a baseball signed by a player. It's never gonna top a NFT, right? I mean, the NFT could come attached to that ball, thus representing that you own it. But if you don't have the physical thing, it doesn't really matter, right? So some things, maybe like trading card games, could have that value. But again, there's also something about having that magical, I'm not sure, Black Lotus for Magic the Gathering, right? Or something really cool that you could have, and you trade it and you have it physical, and you can sell it if it's in mint condition and grade it, right? NFT tokens and NFT cards are not going to get degraded even with the use, right? They're not going to get chips and things that make the other things have their quirks. Art could become attached to NFTs so long as they come accompanied with the physical artwork. I mean, we can have the digital artwork, but in the end, you can just take a picture and that'll be it. What?
Enjoy new chair. D.
What? Dude.
Fatality.
What?
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, bro. I really appreciate that, dude.
Thank you very much.
Yo, that's pretty awesome, dude.
Yeah, well.
No, that's not the one I wanted to play. Yo, High Point. What else can I play? I'm trying to figure out what else can I play. Challenge accepted. To you, man. To you. Thank you very much for that awesome donation. Lakfir. And I'll give you an awesome round of applauses. And a standing ovation. And just because it was so awesome, I'd actually even replay it, man. What? That is legendary, bro. Finish him.
What's up?
Enjoy new chair. D.
Yo, that's pretty cool, man. I really appreciate that, dude. That is awesome, dude. Thank you very much for that. Wow, that's insane. Thanks. Yeah, that's amazing, dude. You're very, very close to the goal, man. Dude, that was insane. So cool, man. I'm speechless. I'm trying to figure out what I was gonna say, dude. The state of Veracruz. I doubt it. What was that, Rex? Bro, that's insane. I really feel bullish, dude. That is insanely cool. Oh man, I don't have anything for like. I should get a more awesome thank you thing coming out here. Yeah, guys. By the way, if you're in the Discord, y'all get really, really cool perks if you donate. I'm still trying to figure out like what else we're gonna do. I'm trying to like schedule time to just do hangout with the people that donate in the donators chat of the stream. But if you're on here with us right now, just for donating and being there, you get access to pre-stream requests for donations, right? So they take action prior and donator chat, which means like you get other stuff there where you can chat directly with me. But just from being here and you join the Discord, you also get you can also get a link to pre-stream requests, right? By letting us know who you are on the Discord on YouTube, and we'll just grant you access. And you can also put some pre-stream requests. That means you don't have to wait for the stream to start to queue up your coins. You can always go in the day and just like start putting coins up. Just 1 coin per person, but that'll be really cool. Ave, sure, we'll put Ave here, man. Dude, I'm like, I'm stunned. That's, I can't even type here, man. There we go. All nervous and shit. Should you buy Doge? I'm not sure. Should you buy anything? It's up to you, bro. Do you believe it's going to go up in price? Do you believe you can have a good entry and good return in your investment? If that is the case, then you probably should buy it. If you don't believe that is the case, don't get it. Dude, I'm like, what? I'm joined. I'm Technology 0001. Dude, yeah, Jake's going to give you access to everything, man. Cool. Thank you for being here, man. I really appreciate that, though. Thank you for the awesome donations, man. Yeah, bring facts. I'm growing a leprechaun. It's my what do you call it when like you have a growth like your twin that grows like absorbed twin or whatever that is. I got a leprechaun abscess growing on my shoulder. That actually that actual tip actually requires me to go and grab a beer, I think. Which I will do in a second after a recap. Quinn! Yo! Thank you very much for the awesome donation. The hippo turning around in a chair. It's going to come up in a second for you guys. I just saw it here in Super Chat. It hasn't come through. There we go.
Audience, say it with me.
Legendary, man. Thank you very much for that. I'll give you the high porn and the one up, dude. Thank you very much for that $10 donation. I really appreciate that, dude. Wow, it's an insane day today. Bitcoin again. Actually, the upside rejecting where we're expecting to reject resistance, right? Let's go to Ethereum. Ethereum at 1,634. Again, rejected that resistance. Very close to it again, and we're rejecting. So again, actually the downside right now. Nothing else happening on the 1 hour. Someone said Doge. Let's go check out the Doge. What? Doge. Low, lower, negative, more, negative, low, lower. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we didn't have any here. No, this is against Bitcoin though. Duh. There we go. Here's Doge against the dollar. I was like, yeah. Mint guy said double top. I said, maybe, but I drew it anyways and I put it there. And we did break that neckline or that confirmation line. We just failed to go to the target. We still could be rejecting getting above that neckline or that confirmation line, and if that's the case, we could be looking for that drop to happen. Right now, we're undecided as to whether or not we really want to drop. Sometimes we get fake breakouts, right, or throwbacks, where we actually like break below the confirmation line. And it's like, nah, I feel bullish enough to keep on going, and then we pump. Should get an Elon Musk puppet mascot on my left shoulder, maybe, man. I don't think I have enough. I wouldn't have enough headroom to actually do stuff. The leprechaun itself, it's not super uncomfortable, but it's also not like super cool to have it there, right? Again, hidden bullish still in play, right? Look, this just tracks onto here. This tracks onto here. We still have that hidden bullish divergence for potential action to the upside. That is it for Doge, dude. Quick recap. Comp up next. Again, a lot of recaps got requested, right? Siamese twins. No, there's some like when you have a twin, but you reabsorb it in utero, and you have like a small fraction of the twin that like still pops up, like a hand or an arm. Yeah, I was not talking about like Siamese or conjoined twins. There's another kind of like, you know, reabsorbed fetus that happens, and it's the pump. Call it boobs. What boobs, dude? They're not boobs. It's a double top. Comp, flagging, hidden bullish. Great. It's there. High low. Positive is positive. High low. Bought at 60.3. Comp's not doing a lot since we let's look at it, right? It's just kind of moving sideways a little bit, so that's fine. Bearish engulfing on the previous candle, right? Right now, trying to go back up slightly, but failing. Bearish engulfing candles usually bring action to the downside, right? That means that we're turning a little bit bearish. If you just look at the candlestick patterns or candle by candle pattern. That being said, let's go and check out ADA, man. ADA. Here we go. Dude, where is it? Here we go. At 48 cents. Again, bearish divergence, right? Potential fraction of downside. Moving down for a candle. Trying to reclaim. We didn't bearish engulf. That's fine. We're trying to reclaim a little bit. MarV1, in Australia, we say people from Tasmania have 2 heads. Are you Tasmanian? I'm not sure, but I am a devil, man. So I might be a Tasmanian devil. Not sure. Thanks for asking, though, MarV1. And thanks for being here on Twitch. Real appreciate it. If you also want to join me on YouTube, that's where we're growing it right now. And a lot of people are there, but thanks for being there, man. Am I going to cover Bitcoin Ethereum one more time? I just went through them, Dorvalis. I'm going to go through them again in a little bit. What? John Boynton, what happened to your internet? Subhuge, or whatever your name is, dude. You're a newbie. Can you leave my trading? Tough question, man. It really depends on how good you are. Seamus, yeah, he's out. Just like probably not at the beginning. A lot of people get wrecked at the beginning while you learn and you get comfortable trading. You can do it so long as you're profitable most of the time, then you lose, and depending on how good of a profit you're making and how much you're starting with. Never put more than you're willing to lose. Right. I know it sounds like I'm repeating other people's words, but it's true, right? On Cardano, bearish divergence, section of downside, moving down. Oh no. That's the last thing we had, so really not a lot happening in Cardano for recap, right? Potential moving down coming in. We could start a flag, right? We impulse stop, we could start a flag before we actually move. Again, parasitic twin, that's it, Alex. Thanks for letting me know, dude. That was the one I was looking for. Yes, Alex got it. Ren is on a tear. Love it. Cool, let's go to fun. Someone wanted to have fun. So we're gonna go check it out. No, it's not a Nomo. It's a Irish leprechaun. It's a wee bit fellow named Seamus. He came all the way here from Ireland. Stole him from his rainbow, and now I own his gold pot. That's how I got into trading with the gnomes, not gnomes, the leprechauns. Gold pot. Put it all into trading. Right, so we hadn't had fun in a while, I guess, because we didn't have this hidden divergence here. So first, I'm gonna go on the 1 hour because we're here. Here we go, and then load high. So we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Hidden bullish, popping high low, positive, positive, high low. Nothing bearish here. That is fine. Then low high, negative, less negative, low high. Are we going lower? Yes, very slight. So here, low, lower low, and then negative to less negative momentum. Low high. Right, so strong bullish divergence, potential fraction to the upside. We're starting to move up, but very slightly. We're just rejecting the 20. We're getting a lot of tightness in the volume bands, right? Look at that. We're coming really tight. That means that there's not a lot of volume. That means volatility is leaving the market. We can start moving sideways. I should get some wild glasses for massive donations. Yeah, Marvy, maybe, man. I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. Right now, it's just the leprechaun that comes out when we hit like 50 bucks. I forgot to bring it out earlier because I wasn't looking at how much we were raking in on super chat, but yeah, the leprechaun is here. So yeah, some divergence. I mean, tighten on the Bollinger Bands. When volatility comes back in, we get wild moves. Look at that, right? Here we tighten on the Bollinger Bands very quickly, and then we explode it to the upside. Volatility coming back in doesn't tell us where we're going to explode to. We just know we're going to get a violent move. Could be upside, could be downside right now. Undecided, right? We're just moving sideways, consolidating, a little bit down sloping. Not looking too bad for fun. Oh, let's go to the 4 hour fun. Would you look at that? Some bearish divergence. Oh my goodness. That means that we're looking for action to the downside, right? From here to here, from here to here, and from here to here. He's around. Yeah, I already did the L round. If you request it again, I'll put in a recap for sure. There we go. Let me just find it. E-gold. Here we go. So, great. What else? Best buying platform, dude. It really depends on where you are. If you're in the US, I'm not sure. If you're in Mexico, Bitso, Binance, Coinbase. It really depends. It just like depends. Like what happens if you are on a platform and they don't have the coin you want? You're gonna have to go wherever you want or wherever you need, right? Yeah, where did it dot? We'll have to go on a recap. Thank you for asking. I'm not sure why they haven't made a leprechaun coin. They're afraid they might steal their Lucky Charms. Right on. So, 55, 56. Slightly higher. So we have hidden bullish, and that's what's sustaining us right now for sideways motion. We're popping, hitting that 20. We might try to reject. It really depends on how strong it's feeling. For fun, we have the 0786 looking to an upside move. Leprechaun gold. Yeah. High, higher, high, positive, positive, high on the RSI to higher point. Great. What is this? 87, 26, 86. So from here to here, we're going slightly higher, right? On the price, and we're definitely coming very slightly lower here. And just tiny, I already checked. This is 87.26, and this is 86.41. So 87, 86, right? Slightly lower. Again, strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside breaking below that 0786 on the fibs, and yeah, we could get another crack at them. We could start a flag after the impulse up. Obvious, sure. It's already in the list. It's coin 22. If it's not coming through, let me know and I'll update it for some reason. The Seamus is here. By the way, guys, thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit like the button, sub. Well, that's it for fun. Let's go to Nixo. What is happening with the Nexo? Alright, so it's going parabolic, right? There's nothing we can do here. It's just going insanely high, insanely fast. If you didn't catch this ship already, you're probably looking to get wrecked. Again, you don't jump onto a speeding train. If you would have bought here, you would have been fine. Right now, oof, you're asking for trouble potentially because we're highly overbought. Look at that, at 92.84. I mean, it's still super bullish. It could still go up a little bit more, but for me, it's the risk-reward ratio is not there. Bigger chance of it crashing than keeping on going higher. Again, it's just very subjective whether or not you want to buy into this projects like this. It's gonna be an interesting project to look at. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. High, higher, high, positive, more positive. Even here, right? High, higher, positive, more positive. Nothing bearish, man. Overbought at 88.9 again. Highly overbought. I don't like it just in the count that's highly overbought. And even here, man, look at that. More positive and even higher, right? Here we created some hidden bullish, I guess. Yeah, very slight, but it's there. Look. From here to here. Some hidden bullish divergence there is. So hidden bullish, action to the upside, moving up. Again, we just got some pullback happening there. It's fine. Don't have anything bearish, just highly overbought, man. Uni, sure, man. I'm not sure if we do. Unit's already on the list. It's gonna be coin 17. There we go. So, like I said, Nexo, train left the station. If you didn't catch it, I wouldn't jump into it. I wouldn't want to get wrecked. Potential to a downside is higher, at least in the short term. So I would be waiting for some pullback maybe before I try to jump into it, but I wouldn't be doing it right now. So interesting coin, interesting project. Again, not for me right now. Uni up next. Hi, Jam. No one's requested XLM yet. You can request it if you want. You can put in the nice format. It helps me out to know that you're requesting it instead of asking. I should do it, Pedro C. What? Right, I'm gonna keep rolling. Let's see if I can have Seamus sit here, chill for a second. I'm not sure if he's gonna stay. He might stay here for a bit. There we go. Well, he'd be a nice little leprechaun there. I think he's not eating me out of the screen. There we go, man. There's Seamus, chilling, having fun. If I didn't have the headphones, it would be cool to have it on the shoulder. But he really bumps into the headphones a lot, and it's really tiring to have it there. Let's go to Uni. Unity dollar at $20.22. Great. Where are we, dude? We're at the high retrace, I think. Is it time to sell? I'm not sure, Crazy. Is it time to anything ever? Anyways, the 3618 getting really high again on that parabolic curve. Like with the parabolic advance that we're doing, high, higher, positive, less positive, right? We had bearish divergence, moved down slightly, and now we're trying to claim back this area, which we are doing. And we're trying to hold on support here on Uni, which is pretty cool. Again, at $20.21. Awesome. Overbought at 73.26. Again, for me, we've gone high too fast. Might want to hit that curve and see if we're going to test support and bounce. Nothing else happening here. Let's go to the 4 hour. We had this hidden bullish divergence fraction. Now upside, we're actually popping on that. And we created more bearish divergence. Look at this. High, higher high. Right? And positive to negative. Right? And high to low on the RSI. With that action to downside. Now, we are creating hidden bullish against the RSI now. Not against the MACD, but against the RSI. Look at this, right? So hidden bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside. Holding support again at the 3618. Pretty good. That being said, let's go to the 1 hour chart. XLM is UD? Sure. XLM, going on the list. So what I'm doing here is looking at the price action real quick. Sorry if I stay quiet. There's something stuck in the back of my throat. So coming high, low, positive is positive, high, low. All right, so nothing bearish. Not in this area. Then we're coming from high or low, right, to lower low. Negative, more negative, and low, lower. So nothing bullish either. I guess we're just consolidating at this level. The $20 area for Uni. And it would be nice if we consolidated for a little bit. People could argue that we're double topping here. That would be fine. I mean, this would be the neckline. We haven't broken it yet. I'm not going to draw it. Just know that we talked about a potential double top in the 1 hour. Comp recap. Yeah, man, when I get to recaps, I'll do comp. Recaps after Maha, I guess. So, up next, Vex, because we already did GRT. GRT, is it twice on the list? Yeah, it's twice on the list. So we'll get rid of the GRT here. And, let's do Vex and then Maha, right? So, Vex. VEX Vex. I wrote it wrong, huh? Dyslexic a little, maybe. Was it Vex or VT, man? VT, dude. What am I talking about? VT, there we go, man. I was looking at Vex for some reason. I wrote it really weird here on the notebook because I was writing sideways, but VT. Duh. Great. Let's keep going, man. VeChain, is it doing things or no? Sorry. Saliva choke. Oh, man. Thoughts on Dodge and Dot? Sure, we can recap. Haha, it's me. On Twitch. So yeah, Dodge, I'll do a recap, and Dot I can also do a recap, right? Awesome. Great. Oh, we didn't do Dot and recap on the last, sorry, Dot and E-Gold on the last recap. I'll do it this time. Ren, sure, we can recap Ren as well. Do a lot of recaps. Gotta find Ren. Have we done Ren? I think we did. I don't think Ren's been requested. No, we did after GRT. Ren, here it is. I couldn't find it on my notebook. Weird. Sorry I'm late. Awesome. Thank you, Brett Prosser, for being here, man. Much appreciated. Good, Quinn River. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Hope you had fun at the stream and being here. I'm not sure if you're still here, man, but thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. I hope you have a great night. Let's keep rolling. Yeah, let's finish VeChain. Last thing we had, hidden bullish. Action to the upside, great. Again, resisting and bouncing around 2.8 cents. Bring facts, you just said thanks again. What? Awesome, I guess. I'm not sure why I'm being thanked, but thank you, man. Bring facts. Chain link. Sure, we can recap. Ren, please, isn't a run. Yeah, we'll check it out after Maha, right? Anyways. Floating around that 2.8 cent mark. We'll see where we go. Nothing here. On the 4 hour, we had this small fallen wedge, broke to the upside again. Might have hit a measure move, pulling back down slightly, but again, sideways motion, right? Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. High, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Again, just sideways motion. Neutral 5209. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Come on, Rambo, keep doing your thing. Thank you for being here. I much appreciate it. If you guys like what we do, hit the like button, the sub, right? Oh, you're out. Bring facts. Thanks for being here, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you for being here, guys. High, low, positive was positive. High, low. All right, low, lower, negative, less negative. All right, we can go with this as hidden divergence. Hidden bullish divergence. Fraction to the upside. A lot of people like VeChain. For me, it's kind of like I'm not into it that much, man. Nothing bearish happening here. So just as hidden bullish, going up again, getting support, and look at that, beautifully hitting support at 2.85 cents. There we go. For VT, let's go to Maha now. And then recap. So Maha. Someone said Maha, but they didn't tell me it was a stock or something. Oh man, who requested Maha? Do you want to look at a stock named Maha? I'm not sure. Or Maha W. Oh, here it is. Against Wrapped Ethereum. I found it. I barely missed it. Thank you for being here, guys. Can I analyze AMP. Sure, if you request it, just go with the format, right? So Maha against Ethereum. Let's go on daily. Oh, well, it's just moving down. Great. Creating some strong bullish divergence here. Lower low. And get it at the hours. There we go. And this is what I'm looking at, right? Strong bullish against the MACD. Nothing against the RSI. With that, we're looking for action to the upside. We're getting action to the upside. Hitting that 20 and rejecting right now. Let's go to the 4-hour on Maha. Sorry. Go back to the daily real quick. Can I fib this? Yes, I can. Low to high. Low to high. We're hitting the 786, and we're bouncing, and we're also rejecting the 618 right now. Awesome. So we did a deep retrace, and it looks like we want to move up again. Let's see if we managed to break above that 618 on Maha. Let's go to the 4-hour. High, low, positive, positive, low to high. All right, some hidden bearish against the RSI. Low, lower, negative, more negative. Hidden bullish. That's what we pumped. I found you. You're the culprit. Oh, snap. I forgot the anchor. I have to re-anchor some things. Gotta surf for that. It's not here. It was down here when I was looking at it. Here we go. All right, hidden bullish. Action to the upside, popping, creating hidden bearish. Sorry, strong bullish. Dude, I got lost there. Now creating hidden bearish. Moving down on that. Low, lower, low. Low on there, set the higher point. Again, strong bullish divergence. Action to the upside, then hidden bearish. Moving down. That's it for Maha. On the 4-hour. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. The 1-hour chart is going really high. So high, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. Nothing bearish. Just moving down. Not even consolidating. It just tanked, and right now it's trying to recover, but it looks like it wants to go down again. Let's see. Low, high, negative, positive, low, high. Nothing bullish here. Hidden bullish, strong bullish, sorry. Back here, right? Low, lower, low. So we did have some technicals for the pump, some strong bullish divergence. It's really cool. Again, first thing that happened, we went to the 20, right? Primary target. Rejecting at 20, but we fell to drop lower than the previous low. That was giving continuation to the bullish divergence, and then really just took off there with Maha. Again, looking too good for me. I mean, I'm not sure if I would ever get into this project, particularly right now, but I mean, if you're into it, power to you. Up next, XRP. Oh, sorry, it's after Maha recaps. I'm gonna recap. There's a lot of recaps, so right. I'm gonna move backwards. Ren. Checking the chat real quick, make sure I'm not missing anything. There we go. Ren, we didn't have anything. It was just going too high, right? Even against the RSI, look, high, higher, positive, more positive, or high, higher, high on the RSI. So Ren, everything's good in the 1-hour. In the 4-hour, it's still overly bullish. I just overbought at 81, so I don't like the fact that it's overbought. It could come with some crash or pullback. And on the daily, look, we were higher, right? We pulled back a little bit, but again, same thing, right? We're highly overbought. Right now, we're at 76, and we have strong bearish divergence developing on Ren on the daily. So that's it for Ren. Quick recap. Now, E-Gold. Can't remember which one we look at for Eagle. I think it might be this one. Yeah. So, what are we gonna do here, man? What do we call for Eagle, man? Was it this one or this one we looked at? I think it's this one. So, bearish divergence. Action to downside. Moving down a little bit. That's fine. Overbought at 83.78 on the daily. 4 hour. Again, bearish divergence move down, trying to climb up slightly, and that's fine, you know. Bought at 66.95. So climbing up, I mean, we got to try to see if we get higher the previous high. If not, continuation of the bearishness. Could move down, hit that 20. Moving average at 60.65, 68.65 on the 1 hour chart. Bearish divergence strong. Action downside in 20. Popping. High, higher, high, positive, more positive, high, higher. Nothing bearish. Coming back down slightly. Trying to climb back up. That is fine. We don't have any kind of divergence here. High, low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side to higher point. Neutral. Sorry, bought at 65.02. That's it for E-Gold. Now let's go check out DOT. Yeah, no worries, Orval. Thanks for being here. Much appreciated. Last thing we were looking at was this hidden divergence, bullish action to the upside, popping. Using support at the 20, popping again. That's fine. Nothing bearish happening yet. Neutral 57.34 on the 4 hour. Had this bearish divergence here, moving down, finding support at the 3618 and trying to pop there, which is fine again. Super bullish. And on the daily, we had strong bearish divergence. Actually, downside, found support at the 3618, popping there. And again, we're starting to create strong bearish divergence. I think I said strong bullish in the last one. It was bearish. Let me go back to it, make sure I didn't miss call. Yeah, strong bearish divergence, action to downside. And now here on the daily, strong bearish divergence again, action to downside, finding support at the 3.618. And on that note, we were looking for that movement down. We did. Holding support. Let's see if we get higher the previous high. If we do, I mean, we're going to be going from high to a higher high. And probably a new positive momentum island that's going to be building here. That is it for DOT. Comp. Riley, bearish divergence means we're expecting to have a shift or in the trend, right? Going from a uptrend here to a downtrend in bearish divergence. So. Comp, we don't have anything. Again, it's going extremely bullish. So on daily, just going higher. Overbought at 83 or 81. What is it? 81.06 on the 4 hour. We had this bearish divergence strong potential action to the downside. Start to get it right now. But again, super bullish, so bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. Yeah, no problem, Riley. Here we had the strong bearish divergence moving down, created the hidden bullish, trying to pop, and right now we're just moving sideways on comp. That's it. Let's go to DOGE now. Doggy. Right. So, main guy said we have a potential double top. I said maybe. We're moving back. We're trying to get back above that confirmation line. Still yet to be determined by this hour close. We'll see if we manage to get above that area and try to negate the potential double top. Let's go to the 4 hour chart again. Bearish divergence, medium, action to downside, moving down on that. And on the daily for DOGE, we didn't have anything. So, we do. Why do I not have lines here? Awkward. This is very awkward, my friend. Yeah, it is very awkward. I don't have lines here. We're looking at this strong bearish divergence. I might have missed this in the beginning. I'm not sure. Maybe I missed it. It's fine. He's only human, right? Something like that. Like a voice should play like that when I mess up. For me to hear also some bearish divergence. Strong for action to the downside. Oh no, Seamus is gonna fall. There we go. He's getting tipsy. There we are. Riley, you have a good radio voice. Thank you. I appreciate that. I never knew I had a radio voice until I started doing this. But, you know, don't want to be a radio people because video kill the radio star. Let's go over and look at Bitcoin real quick and Ethereum, and we'll figure out what's next. By the way, guys, if you like what we do, hit like button, sub, join us on Discord. You can also join us on Twitter. Links in the description. Bitcoin hidden bullish. Again, rejecting the area that we're expecting. Trying to hold on support at the 20 moving average, which is pretty good. And Ethereum at 1,638. Again, rejecting our resistance and holding support at the 20. So again, we could try to get another crack at that resistance. Candle's about to close in 4.4 minutes, more or less. Let's go to XRP and AVE, and then keep rolling. Diamond hand Duchess. Yeah, Daddy Musk is gonna make it all right. That's cool. Yeah, if Elon pumping stuff, it's maybe. I'm not sure. Let's say I'm not super happy with that. I mean, it looks like the second time it didn't have as much strength as the first one, right? XRP. Up next, the Shopee. Shopee coin. Here we go. That's not the one we look at. This is the one we look at. Let's go on the daily. So we had a hidden bearish divergence section downside, came back, found support at 37.07, taking a pop, heading to our 45.83. We're actually holding support there. We're actually below that area slightly. We have wicked slightly higher, but right now it looks like we're getting held at that resistance, 45.83. Let's see if it holds. Again, XRP doesn't have anything else building here on the daily, but we just moved within the channel that we were expecting to move. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. Brent Prosser, can we hit the hype horn? Sure, man, why not? There we go, hype horn. Low, high, negative and more negative. Again, hidden bullish, action to the upside, getting that nice move, high, low, positive, positive, high, low. Nothing bearish, bought at 62.76. Great, let's move to the 1-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart here, we're looking for bearish divergence. We did move down, hit that 20, and we are popping. We are popping, man. Question is, are we making higher or more positive? Let's see, 00592, 007, so slightly higher, higher. 7582, 10% also, higher. So nothing bearish on XRP, man. Wow, interesting. Low, high, negative, less negative, low, high. Great. So I'm not going to call anything on XRP because it's not doing a lot. It's just finding resistance. I'm almost positive that I didn't find anything here that would imply action to the downside. So if it just needs to get above that resistance, right? We had this bearish back here already played. If we fail to get higher in the previous high, we could be looking for a potential drop to follow. But that's that for XRP. Yep. Up next, Aave. Why not? Hi, the State of Crypto Light. I am just a State of Crypto. There's no light version of the State of Crypto. What are you talking about, man? Come on. It's just the regular version, man, not the light version. Looks bullish to me in the midterm. Yeah, maybe, man. Everyone's talking about diamond hands. I know, because they're hard like diamonds, and they cut people when you get close to them. Origami fingers and paper hands. CRX. We haven't done TRX. You can request it, I guess, if you want to, Keith. You can request. The link is right there. Gemma, I haven't done XLM yet, but I'll do it in a second, right? Right, Crazy Scott, XRP had some nice news, yeah. We'll see how it's going to go there, right? Still, it's a big issue whether or not the US wants to use it. I mean, if it gets declared a security, it's going to probably put some locks as to how it's going to be used, and a lot of remittances and a lot of the corridors that XRP had settled, whether from the US to elsewhere. So I know they have other corridors, but again, a big one is there. No price predictions here. Flow by. Thanks for being here, man. XLM's already on the list. The last coin we're going to look at. Right, let's keep rolling. Aave. It's a blowing up. What is blowing up, Keith? I'm not sure. Sure, just put it in the request format, man, and I'll check it out. It's just, everyone's done that for the coins all the time. So, like Riley just did, right? Look at the State of Crypto, XLM to USD Tether, and or whatever, and I'll check it out. Abe, remember what we said? We're going super bullish. Bearish indicators don't have a chance, or don't have a strong chance of playing out, right? They're less likely to play out. MFT, sure. So we went higher, right? And we also went higher here. So we got rid of this. I bet $477.99. Look, it's on sale. It's not, it's in a markup. We had some strong bullish divergence, so we're popping up. We had this on the 4-hour. We knew it was a big chance. We're going to keep on going higher. Nothing bearish happening here. Starting to flag, which is okay. Overbought at 74.55. Dude, 74.64. Let's go to the 1-hour chart and see what we have there, man. Bond to the dollar. Ooh, interesting. Ave, again, strong bearish divergence. We did move down slightly. We're hitting that 20 right now, which I'm not sure. Did we do this earlier today? Or is this coming from the 4-hour? No, it's from the 1-hour. I just don't have it matched against anything. Oh, here it is. Wonder why I don't have this matched against anything. Was I looking at this earlier? Or did I look at this earlier? Did someone request Ave earlier? I doubt it. It's weird. Usually when I do stuff off the air... Oh, this is the 4th. What? Oh, we already changed days. Usually when I do stuff off the air, I mark it in a different color. For some reason, I don't have this marked in orange. It's weird. But anyways, strong bearish divergence, and we're starting to flag there. Oh, I remember why. I remember why I did that. Let's see if I can bring this up real quick. Andrew had asked about Ave earlier, and yesterday. So yeah, see today at 3:33, right? And that's when I drew this, and I said, look, to Andrew, bearish divergence. That's why I drew it. I just forgot to put in a different color. But anyways, bearish divergence, action downside, move down, hitting that 20. Great. So our call prediction came through on Ave. Awesome. Now it could find support at the 20. We are making hidden bullish divergence. Again, it could start to bring potential for action to the upside. It's going from here to here. And it's going from here to here. Great one. We also have it here against the RSI. Here we go. Neutral at 58.61. That's it for Ave, man. Is Dutch still pumping? I'm not sure. I haven't looked at Dutch in a little bit. I'm not sure if it's still pumping. Yeah, someone chat. Yeah, dude. Kathy Tran, thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit the like button on sub. There's always people here, and there's always people chatting, and yeah, the people do reply here. So great community that we're building, man. I really appreciate y'all. If you haven't done it yet, hit the like, please. I'll be really grateful. For reals, and Seamus will have another sip of its tiny beer. Let's see. Up next, XLM. I think I'm going to close the charts after MFT, which is the last coin that got requested. I don't think I've seen any other coins come requested properly. Awesome. There we go. What is your price prediction room? I don't do price predictions, Flow Bob. Thank you for asking. XLM, why not? XLM to the dollar. Here we go. 33.56, so 33.56 cents. All right, so last time we were looking at was this bearish divergence, moved down, failed to get higher in the previous high, thus continuation of the bearishness, moving lower. Awesome. Now we have some more hidden bearish divergence against the MACD. Sorry, this was strong bearish divergence back here. Now we have hidden bearish divergence. Action downside, moving down slightly. Low, lower, negative, more negative, low, lower. Awesome, nothing here. That is bullish. Let's go to the 4 hour. Great. Again, the 4 hour bearish divergence action to downside. So strong bearish divergence. Strong bearish divergence. Do we have something here? Oh, we might. Low, high, negative, more negative. Great. Some hidden divergence here. I'll just anchor from here to here. It still works the same. It's just to illustrate the point of what we have. And from here to here, right? And from here to here as well. Yes, Captain. We have some hidden bullish divergence fraction to the upside. And it's getting us above the 20. Right now we're actually retesting it as support, which is interesting. Gordon Gecko, thank you for being here. How do you request properly? It's right there below my name, dude. It says at the State of Crypto and then asset. Well, that's all you need to do. That's all it takes. Yeah, Brent Prosser also just got it right. Rex, yes, no problem, dude. Thank you for asking about Aave, man. Excellent, we're moving backwards, right? So now we go on the daily. We had bearish divergence, moving down. Hitting support at 3.19. Sorry, at 31.93 cents. Great. That's it for XLM. Nothing bullish. We are done. I forgot to anchor something. It's coming through. Oh, damn. I forgot to anchor 2 things. It's probably in the 4 hour. It's probably in the 4 hour. It'll be fine. It's just a flesh wound. Maybe some antibacterial ointment. Banned. Awesome, dude. I'm not sure we didn't ban today. Have we done the bandwagon today? Yeah, well, not. I'll just put that one as the last coin. That's it. After banned, no more coins. No more coins after banned. There we go. Oh, MFT and then banned. I'm gonna be right back, guys. Just give me one quick second. I gotta get something and I gotta get more water. So I'll be right back. Stick with me as I come back through a small break. Someone said uni. Oh, yeah, I already got uni. No, I didn't get uni in. Sorry, Inhuman. I'll do uni and then banned. That's how the list is gonna go, and that's it, right? Just because I missed uni on the first read, but thank you, man. Now I'll be right back. Just give me one quick second. Haven't gotten out of the chair for more than a couple seconds, so need to get water and be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. Thank you for sticking with me again. Some of you guys requested earlier that I had a beer, and I want to get another one. So give me one quick second. I'm gonna open it. There we go. I muted the mic briefly so you wouldn't hear that. And now I'm gonna enjoy the second beer of the night. Someone actually said, "Go get more beer," and I just hadn't had time to get up and go get it. But thank you for the awesome donation for the go get more beer. Now I got more beer, and I'm gonna be drinking with Seamus and have him toast me. There we go. ADA recap now, please. Sure, Jake. Yes, quickly. I'll recap it. Why not? Did ADA hit that high? Steve's probably having a party. I want to go to ADA apparently. So we did finish XLM. Let's go to ADA. ADA, it's a pumping, man. Dude, where is ADA? I can't find it. It's not on the list. Right, here it is. 49.86. Cheers to ADA hitting 50 cents. Remember what we said, right? Bull trend, bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. They're there. All I said is set up a stop loss if you're worried about the price going down. New. What? Thank you for subscribing, Jeff Holland, Sonic Artist. Thank you for being here, man. Went higher. Again, same bearish divergence still here. Strong bearish divergence. And remember what I said last time? We're starting to build it as the first candle. We can go making more, but we still have bearish divergence. Just watch out for that, right? That's all I said. Now look at this here also, right? Look, going higher still. Pumping 2 candles. And look at this. Hey, 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 boo-boo. We still have bearish divergence. Strong. Hey, it's a bear. It's Yogi. So yeah, we'll see what the ADA is going to do. Again, it has a lot of bearish divergence all over the place, so. Remember, bearish bullish market. Bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out, right? Gordon Gecko said something. This is crypto. I bought a band on a Monday and at 11:22. Now to 12:33. Cool. So, yeah. I'm not sure, man. Gordon Gecko, I haven't gone to band, so let me get to band and we'll just figure out what he has, right? So that is the recap for Cardano. Let's move on to the MFT. ADA has spelled you very well. Time to buy some more when it dips. Yeah, dude, why not? Steve, who's probably not here right now, has been our ADA evangelist. He's been telling people to buy like non-stop ADA since middle of last year, man. I haven't listened to him. I haven't got any ADA, man. It's just not my like cup of tea, man. I'm not sure. I'm not that familiar with the project. He said 2021 is the year of ADA. You should have listened to him. Maybe. I'll let Steve real quick. Hey, Steve. Oh, Steve's not in this chat. Weird. Oh, that's dumb. I tagged myself. Why is Steve not in this chat? Ah, weird. Oh, it's because Callus. That's why. There we go. Sorry, I needed to warn something about the price of this asset real quick. Yeah, I'm not sure, David. It does have a lot of bearish divergence, so I'm not sure if it's going to keep on going up or going to try to pull back down. MFT to the dollar, I guess, because it wasn't... Can't remember if it was requested against something, but 1.81 cents. Great. Anyone in Link? Yeah, I'm in Link. Someone hooking up with some Link, so I'm in Link. again, thank you for being here. Patma, want to be famous? Great. I don't want to buy for stuff. I don't pay for followers. Thanks for being here, though. Nothing bearish, right? Higher, more positive. Higher on the RSI. Overbought at 93.21. Also, go to the 4 hour, man. Higher, more positive. Same story, right? Nothing bearish. So you're just highly overbought. We could be coming back down. If we could go way back here, we might have something. I really don't want to go way back here for divergence. So 86.23. 85. So from way back there, we do have some bearish divergence, right? That's like looking way over the past. For me, it's too long of a period, right? That's why I don't want to look way back here for divergence. But it's there. Potential for actually the downside. On that account, let's go and check out the MFT on the 1 hour chart. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, higher, right? Low, high, some hidden bullish. I mean, it doesn't have a lot. It's just gone parabolic, so it's okay, I guess. You guys can get into it. Just be careful. You know, it's just train already left the station. You could be in for some hurting if it comes down crashing or corrects or does something, right? So you just think about it that you're probably buying at a premium. It could go on higher, right? I'm not saying it's done, but there's a risk that it might go down, right? Look at this. It's just going insanely high, insanely fast. So if you didn't get in here on the 13th or the 22nd, you're probably buying it at a high premium. Just think about this. You're buying, it's going up 600 and some percent, right? So if it crashes and corrects half, like you could be in a lot of hurting, right? Again, just be careful. I'm not saying get in or get out, but be careful. If you get in, set up a nice stop loss. Make sure you're not going to get wrecked. You don't
get wrecked.
Yeah. Practice safe trading. Let's go to uni. Uni. How are we done uni? Yeah, we already did uni, dude. So it's going to be a recap. Uni, I'm going to leave for a recap, I guess. So we're actually going to go to band. Jeebus. That's sad, man. What? Brent, what you smoking, bro? Tosh K, thank you for being here, man. I guess it didn't play. If you like what we do, hit the like button, sub, guys. Let's go to band. The band. This is the last coin, man. After this, I'm just gonna be here chilling, answering questions. We usually do 30 projects, but we've done a lot of recaps today. We usually don't do as many recaps as we've done. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have done 18 recaps today. So, you know, that's why I removed a couple of coins and I just said that's it. Plus, it's been an insanely cool stream, but must rest. I gotta do stocks tomorrow morning. Overbought at 73.53. Great. On the daily again. It's uni. Where's band? Here it is. Band. Oh, look, we're looking for bearish divergence here. We pull back down. Awesome. Now we're going slightly higher. Do we still have the bearish divergence? Where were we anchoring here? Probably here. I'm not sure why this data's not here. It's awkward that it's not here. Very awkward. It's probably from that day that I lost a lot of data. Here we go. Link is doing great. Yeah, it is. I haven't gone back to it. I'll just put it here for a recap. We'll recap Link. We'll recap ADA again before we close. We got to do Uni. We'll do Bitcoin and Ethereum and maybe Maker. See where it's at. Had a lot of scotch and you made a lot of money, dude. Hype horn. Yeah, why not, dude? There we go. I'm happy for you, Brent, dude. That's so cool that you made a lot of dough tonight or today. Great, man. That it's the coolest thing ever, man. That you guys, come in here, chill out, and then during the day you make dough. I'm happy for everyone that does that. Ambulance coming through. 1 second. And it's gone. So yeah, dude, I always wish you guys the best trading, the best everything, man. So yeah. I don't have any ADA, man. I should buy some. I should. I'll see if I can send some money to the exchange tomorrow. Funding your future drug problems. Anyway, strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. High, higher, positive, positive, high, low. So, bearish divergence, right? Strong. Here we go. Strong bearish divergence. We are not anchoring to a positive momentum. We're anchoring to a negative momentum, right? Positive to negative. High low on the other side. Strong bearish divergence. Potential fraction to downside. We might move down. Last thing we had was hidden bullish. We lost it, but it was here from here to here. We lost it because it deleted some data, right? So hidden bullish here. Action to the upside. Great. It's pumping. Hey, it didn't create anything bearish. And then we move down slightly. Found support at the 20 and pumping again. Great. From here to here, we have some bearish divergence. It will be from here to here. From here to here. We're down on that. Again, support at the 20. Pumping. Hidden bullish in play also, right? So let's recognize the hidden bullish because it's a dare, man. By the way, if you don't know what I was calling here, I was going from here to here. From here to here. And from here to here, man. Oh, but you look at that. It's awesome. And there we go, man. Riley, what do you think about Nano? I'm not sure. We haven't looked at Nano today. I already closed requests, so maybe tomorrow. Bearish divergence, strong potential fraction to downside. Let's go to band on the 1 hour. Again, it's really bullish, right? So take it with a grain of salt. Meaning, don't put a lot of weight into it. Just set up stop loss. Look, we also have this strong bearish divergence. Puny human. Hulk smash. Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside, right? So strong bearish. We're starting to move down slightly. Target, we might find some support here at $12.24. Right now, sitting at $12.78. Low, high, negative, less, negative, low, lower. All right, some hidden bullish. Great. That's probably why we pumped a little bit. Awesome. So pumped, explained. Now, strong bearish. Let's see how it's going to play out. Brent, John, bro, I'm the tele-evangelist of GRT. Are you really? So now Brent is our GRT evangelist, just like Steve was our ADA evangelist. Awesome. GRT graffiti? Sure. I don't have any graffiti, Jose, but we can look at GRT, man. Sure. Let me put it for a recap. I just gotta find it here on my list. Find it on the list. Where is the GRT? There it is. So we'll recap. GRT. Viral video. Can you check out Litecoin? We should check out Litecoin. I haven't checked it today. Yeah, why not? I usually check it out on a daily basis, but oh, dude, what? Wait, before I look at Binance, wow, all-time highs yesterday at $59. What? Dude, Binance pumped a lot, right? We had the bearish divergence. Remember what we said, right? We did move down, hit that 20 pound support and pump. Great, nothing wrong with that. We were starting to make that negative momentum island, right? Look, it was the positive momentum island. It was the first one, the first of its kind. But then we kept on going higher, and now we have strong bearish. Sorry, man. I'll go to link in a second. Sorry, not link. Litecoin. Should get Binance real quick. We don't have it against RSI, and against it's just against the MACD, right? There we go. Awesome. Gordon Gecko, you won big on AACG stock. Well, actually, we looked at that one today. Yeah, no worries, man. We do stocks in the morning, like we do stocks at 1 p.m. So, yep. Again, yeah, strong bearish. Let's go on the 1 hour. What do we have in the 1 hour? Bearish divergence moves down, hit that 20 pop, higher, positive, positive. Everything's good, nothing bearish here. Yeah, maybe from back here to the new high, we do have bearishness, right? So from here to here, and here to here, right? That's it. Again, it's still recovering and holding really nice on Binance. I like that. Daily shaking everything off. Dude, these things I forgot to anchor, I think. Yeah, I did. So I'll fix this tomorrow, I guess. I'm not going to do it right now. Let's go to Litecoin. See, that's why I usually like to anchor everything when I'm doing it, because otherwise I come in and I see all these like things floating around. $149. Yeah, it pumped a little bit. It did get above its previous 100%. It's retracing. It hasn't hit $164.68. That's our target, right? Yeah, well, DOGE. We're going to do it in a recap. Thank you for asking. High low, positive, positive, high low. Neutral at 55.84. That's it for Litecoin. On the 4 hour, we had bearish divergence move down, finding support at 20, pumping, hidden bullish divergence being created from here to here. From here to here. And here to here, right? Look at that. Boom, boom. Hidden bullish, taking a small pop. Great. Let's see where we're going to go. We failed to get higher in the previous high. We could be looking at continuation to downside. Still yet to be determined. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. We had the bearish divergence moving down. What? Yes, we have some strong bullish from here to here. Let's be from here to here, right? So from here to here. Strong bullish divergence, section to the upside, hitting the 20, rejecting, fell to drop lower in the previous low, continuation to the upside, right? That's why I said could happen on the inverse here, right? If we pump and fail to get higher in the previous high, could be looking for a move down. Look at this, right? So now here, we have that opposite thing happening, precisely like I was talking about, right? So we hit the 20, fell to drop lower in the previous low. That's continuation to the upside. Not looking the strongest continuation right now, but at least we're above that 20 moving average, and that's where we want to be actually. Finding support at the 20 moving average and pumping a little bit. So yeah, let's see for not looking bad for Litecoin right now. Awesome. Any hopes for DOGE? I'm not sure. We're gonna look at it again. Let's see for band. I'm gonna start recapping stuff. Yo, a lot of things to recap, man. I think it's a stream where we've done the most recaps, man. That's insane. Ethereum is pumping low key. We'll check it out, dude. Yeah, list is full, man. I'm looking at the time. Let me do the recaps, man, and yeah, depending on how I'm doing there by the end, I'll check if I can do algo, right? So let's start with the Bitcoin. Getting above 37,293. Yes, we wanted that. That is good. Bitcoin being good. Again, getting that cross of MACD over the signal line, probably the next candle. That could bring action to the upside, positive momentum, good stuff. Again, hidden bullish coming into play. Great. 4 hour, we had the bearishness. Let's see if we can manage to get above that previous high. Probably might create some more bearish divergence, but we'll see. On the daily, still cool. Let's go to Ethereum. 1,658, almost recovering to its previous high, which is really good. Let's go to the 4 hour chart. Oh, look. Hidden bullish. Moving slightly higher, sir. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Again, getting above the resistance. Find support at the 20, right? On last candle, gapped up a little bit in the opening, getting above. We still have many minutes to go, over 28 minutes, but at least we're getting above that resistance, right? We hit it a couple candles since we came live here at 9 p.m. Right, so resistance did held for a little bit, and now we're bringing above. Awesome. That's it for Ethereum recap and Bitcoin recap. Let's go to DOGE. DOGE or Doggy. 1,780 coin. I wouldn't say it's not outside of the realm of possibility, right? Right, DOGE also moving back up and still flirting with that line. right, for the double top potential, right, the confirmation line. That mid guide is spotted. And again, moving down slightly. We'll see where it's going to go. Oh, that move is good, Gordon Gecko. There's a second one, right? It's called like Wall Street Never Sleeps, I think. But it has Charlie Sheen, or like, who is it, Gordon Gecko getting out of jail or something. That's interesting. Ballroom's also good. So DOGE, that's it, right? Again, not a lot. Let's go to Maker. BNB Crypto. Awesome, thank you for being here, man. Maker. Where's the Maker? You shall meet your Maker. Maker to dollar. There we go. Right, so we're looking for bearish divergence. Here we had medium. Now we have strong bearish divergence for potential action to downside. Great, it's there. It's as clear as day. We might move down on that. On the 4 hour, again, we didn't have anything. We're clear. And on the daily, we're looking for bearish divergence. We're not sure we're going to get it, but it's there right now. And again, like I said, I'm not saying it's going to go down right now. I'm saying it's set up stop losses in case it does go down. Market is bullish. Conditions for market in general are bullish. So bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. So great. Bitcoin pumping. We'll go back to it, John, in a second. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Let me go through some recaps. I'll go back to Bitcoin, though. I got to recap some stuff, right? ADA up next, because a lot of people have been asking for recaps. So it is the recap time. It's the reckoning time. Here we go. ADA, man. Bearish divergence strong. Potential fraction to downside. Great. 4 hour. Again. Strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to downside. You know, it's still there. We're still making it, although we're pumping, right? It's good. Found support at the 20. Great. Pumping. Awesome at 50.28 cents. The 1 hour chart for ADA, again, also has a strong bearish divergence against the RSI, not against the MACD, right? But it's still there. Gotta watch out for that. Again, potential for a movement to the downside. Let's go to Link. I missed something here. I'm not gonna find it. Inherev Pokestead. You asked for a coin earlier. I can't remember which one it was, dude. I forgot to write it down. I said I was gonna check it out if I wasn't feeling super bad towards the end of the movie. They're gonna make a new Hangover movie. That's gonna be really cool. I don't see that. Link. Up next. On the daily, facing that 1618 again, we talked about that. Bearish divergence starting to build. Positive momentum island, new one there. So checking this out again, market conditions are really bullish, right? We also had this bearish divergence here, still at play. Potential fraction to downside. I'm just saying potential, right? I'm not saying it's gonna crash. I'm saying just potential. Let's go to the 1 hour chart again. Look at this. We had this resistance line. We're breaking above it. Now we're trying to hold it as support. Very nice here on chain link, right? So I like that. See if we can get above that 1618. You asked for algo. Yeah, thanks, man. High, higher, positive, more positive, high, low. We're creating bearish divergence against the RSI. All right. So from here to here. From here to here and from here to here, man. So strong bearish divergence, potential fraction to the downside on Link. Awesome. Now let's move on to the graph, I guess, again. The graph. The graph doesn't have anything bearish. The last thing we have is hidden bullish, pumping, good, 4 hour. Had some bearish divergence, strong potential fraction to downside. Like I said, potential. It's starting to build a new positive momentum island. It can go on building and growing and making more price action to the upside. I'm not saying it's going to move down again. That potential, it just means set up a stop loss if you're worrying about the price going down, right? On the daily, we also have that bearish divergence on the graph. Now let's go to uni. GRT, have the horn. I missed the beat drop by a second, man. Anyways, bearish divergence, extra downside, moving down. Trying to pump right now, getting above that 3618, which is a really, really deep retrace to the upside. Doing good on uni, right? Again, if you got some of those 400 unis, you're probably doing really good right now, right? So if you got 400 unis at the drop times, what is it right now? 20.29. So you're doing $8,000, dude. That's pretty good. I'm not sure how many unis were given to everyone, but that's pretty good. So uni, nothing happening there. Again, trying to climb up. Like we said, super bullish. Bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. That's last recap coin. Sure, dude. I'll do algo rev pulse that. You're here every night, so algo's gonna be the last coin I look at, guys. After that, it's just chill. Jose, someone. No, wait, I missed a comment by someone. John says Bitcoin pumping. I'm gonna go check out Bitcoin before I actually go into algo, right? Because apparently it's a pumping. It's a pumping, man. Is it pumping, dude? My back's starting to hurt. Yeah, a little bit. Right, it's getting above 37,393. So cool, man. Let's go to Algorand. Yeah, a lot of people missed out on Algorand. All you had to do was just have a transaction on MetaMask, I think, and you would have done it. And yeah, I also missed out on Algorand, man. Sorry, on Algorand, on the Uniswap. Like, there's so many airdrops that are BS that it's hard to tell which ones are legit now. Dude, Algo going insane. What is up with Algo? It still has bearish divergence, though, right? Look to there. Again, look, we pulled back yesterday on the bearish divergence. We're still creating it today, getting above its previous high. New all-time highs for Algo. So we'll top point to that, man. Thank you all for being here again and joining me tonight for this awesome stream, dude. Make sure Seamus is more in the camera. There we go, Seamus. Hug the mic, man. Trying to get Seamus to show up there, man. A little bit better. There we go. Nice leprechaun there. Gordon Gecko, that's good. You look like you need rest. Yeah, I'm starting to get tired, man. I get up in the morning to do stocks, and I end this stream around 1 in the morning, and then I have to wake up in like 6 or 7 hours. So I don't get a lot of rest, man. And then the kids wake me up at night. Kyber Network. Yeah, we're not gonna look at it tonight, man. This is the last thing I'm gonna look at. Again, some bearish divergence there. Again, just possibility of fraction of downside is really bullish. Lesser chance of bearish indicators playing out, right? Look, higher. Again, strong bearish divergence being developed right now. Look, we had it a couple days ago. Pull back down, hit support at 67, then bouncing back up, which is good. And yeah, that is it for this, man. All right, look from here to here, and from here to here, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, just against RSI, that bearish divergence as well, right? From here to here. And from here to here. So with that, some bearish divergence, right? Some potential action to downside. If you're worried about a big drop coming in, set up tight stop loss. Algorand at 78 cents. It has done very nicely lately, right? Considering that it started way back here a couple days ago. On December 23rd at 29 cents. So yeah, really good gains, man. No complaints there with Algorand. Some point in time was we were down here at November at 22 cents. So great. I'm gonna put away the little leprechaun right now and just chill here for a second, guys. That's it. I'm just gonna check out the chat. We've seen it all now. Time to have a drink with us all. We love the internet. We can all share a drink down some mild support. Yep. Thanks, Brent. Appreciate that. Oh, that's pretty cool, man. Gordon Gecko. That's awesome, dude. Yo, thank y'all for being here, guys. Again, if you like what we do, hit like the button, sub, join us on the Discord. We have a couple people here, so while I have some of you here, get drunk, get late, and get rich. Yeah. Well, I have a couple of you guys here. Again, Jake has an awesome channel where he does top 10 subreddits, and he covers really, really cool stuff that happens on subreddit for Bitcoin. He does the top 10. If Jake's here and he wants to put up his channel, that's awesome. If not, you guys can go check out Bitcoin Jake 09 channel and show him some love, give him some subs, and watch his videos. They're pretty cool. They're interesting. Oh, Jake's here. Awesome, dude. Jake, if you just want to toss a link to your YouTube channel, that's awesome. Oh, you can also join us on Discord. He posts his video links there when he posts videos. He's almost putting it every day. Wow, yeah. I guess I'm gonna have to remove something. Let's remove this. I just want to save. Tomorrow I'll clean up some charts. Let me see if it lets me save. Yeah, there we go. Oh, damn, I want to have to remove more items somewhere. I hate deleting stuff, but, you know, it's the name of the game, right? Let's delete this too. There we go. Now it's saved. Jake does post his videos here on the Discord also. So if you join us in the Discord, go check out Bitcoin Jake 09 channel. It's right here, right? Like the subreddits for Bitcoin top 10. And he put that one yesterday. I don't think he put one today, I guess. But he usually does it every day. Oh, that was yesterday. Duh, that was today. He does it daily. So if you guys can go check it out. He does really interesting stuff there. And give him likes, give him subs. I'm here all night, just at work, so I listen the whole night. Awesome, dude. Yeah, dude, Brent. Seamus is a feisty one. Yeah, Mo. Oh, yeah, maybe quick. I'm just gonna look at it on the hour, right? Because we already did it in detail earlier on, and I'm just chilling right now. So I'm just chatting with you guys. So XLM. Some bearish divergence. Potential fraction of downside. Again, we're in a bull market, so bearish indicators have a lesser chance of playing out. Still going slightly lower, still going slightly higher. Still have that hidden bearish divergence. Now we also have it against the RSI. So it's just hidden bearish, right? We can get shaken out really quickly. Oh, Brent, that's really crazy, man. Thanks, Gordon. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. The false flex. Cerveza, yeah, Cerveza, it's with a Z, or however you want to call it, towards the end. But yeah, dude. It's been a long day, guys. I'm actually going to be signing off here soon. Just wanted to chat real quick, check some chat. Thank y'all for the awesome shares, tips, support, time that you give to this channel. I really appreciate y'all. Thank you for being here. You guys are amazing. On that note, I'm going to say goodbye for tonight. I'm going to be here tomorrow. I'm going to do stocks at 1. I also do stocks at 1. If you want to come in at 1 p.m. Central to check out stocks, we're going to start doing that. Again, it's going to be this other screen that I have here, right? It's going to say the set of crypto stocks. You're going to see everything green. So if you see everything green, don't ask about crypto. We're just doing stocks. I'm not going to look at crypto unless something's pumping and going crazy, right? But if you see something like regular, right, like we have right now, like that, just we are doing crypto, right? So again, if you see green, it's just stocks. Tiffany Lee, thanks for being here. Guys, it's going to be it for tonight again. This is Untitled Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight for this awesome stream. Again, hit the like, the bell, and sub. That's going to be it for tonight. Remember, all the content that we produce here is for entertainment and education purpose only. Don't trade based on what you see here. Trade at your own risk. Yeah, and remember, talk about crypto to your friends, to your family, and to your coworkers. Let them know that we are here. Again, the State of Crypto, your host Martin. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.